Oh, we're too big. We're too big. Yeah, we're too big. Oh, my camera don't work. Oh, we're back. Apologies. Too many redheads in one place. Broke the internet. Our souls. We're soulless creatures. Internet don't like it. All right. Let's see if we can get this working again. Get NUTTYBAR back over here. Maybe. Come on, baby. Work for me. That works. This don't work. Fucking A.
It's not connected.
That on?
Yeah.
You're on. No, his is not on.
Oh, la 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 la. It's nothing.
You're on stream 2 days?
I believe.
So today's the technical difficulties day.
Yeah, today's the
That's how
technical.
it works.
Technical difficulty day, agree.
It's probably my Amish background. It crashed
Fucking
everything.
Amish, they came in here and they fucked everything up.
Unplug it and plug it back in.
Yeah, I gotta fucking blow on it. This is insanity. Oh my god, why?
I've had that issue with the CVE10. Like if you just unplug the camera and plug it back in.
Oh no, I know, buddy.
All right.
Not my first fucking rodeo. Only my second. It's not there. There you are. He's back.
We're back.
He's live. The
Hey,
NUTTYBAR.
let's go.
All right.
We're
all
back.
right. Fucking A. Sorry about that, chat.
We are back.
Pat, is it good there in frame, or you need it with a frame?
Should be good there. All right, we're pulling up the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, big move down here overnight, over 1,000 fucking points. That's right, over 1,000 points here on the NASDAQ right now. To the downside, we got a massive gap to the upside, obviously. The news today, supposedly, China came out with a cheaper and more effective AI, being DeepSeek, is what I've heard, I've seen, I've heard, they've talked about. So it's Mega Money Mondays. I expect some volatility today. That's right. It's a good time to be volatility. Big time. Trying to get it all set back up here again. I got to go in and sign in everything again and fucking Let's see if this works. Start the session. Verify. And then click. Yeah, you're good. Just make sure it's me. It's me, baby. All right, now we can see. You can close out of that now. Or that you can close out of that window on the. Here you go. All right, so we got NUTTYBAR screen pulled up here on the chart right now. All right, so what are you looking at, Nutty? What's your thought process here as a what are you looking at, Nutty? As a trader? What's your thought process?
I have a lot of experience when the market goes 1,000 points drop overnight, but they love, like you say, they love to market loves to, the gaps love to get filled, but it's a long way to the top. I'm kind of looking. I'm just watching VWAP up here at the 260s.
You got the VWAP on the chart.
I do.
Who'd you get that idea from?
I don't know. Some guy, PW, I think.
Nah, you wasn't me.
I don't know.
PW Concepts, the best. What's the other yellow line?
This is my 21 EMA. I love. Hey,
Did you take the Patrick Wieland course?
No, I did not. I did not. But
are you sure?
I've been a fan of the 21 EMA for a long time.
Nothing left.
It's funny because I had the 21 EMA. Even like I told people back in the day when I was trading stocks.
Showing you my moves as they happen.
So it's funny
Just this week.
when I used to trade penny stocks and all that.
Just this week.
The echo,
I like
echo. Stocks and all that. Why is there an echo? The echo,
I like it.
echo. Why is there good? Something's going on. Good. Is there an echo now? Is there an echo now? Four voices. Fucking A. Four voices. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Good, fixed. Now talk, Nutty.
Testing 1, 2. I show up and everything just crashed. I'm sorry.
I definitely blame you.
Yeah.
I blame you. It's all your fault, NUTTYBAR. It's all your fault. We got 2,000 people watching right now in the. We got all these problems going on. Imagine if we didn't have any problems going on. There'd be more people watching.
That's right.
Nutty powerful. All right. So again, looking here at the NASDAQ right now on the hourly chart, we got a pullback from the 21,788 level down here to the 785. So 1,000-point move to the downside here. And would you look at that? Tapping into that pivot point there as well. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? That's amazing to see. Nutty, tell us what's your strategy here going into open? Do you have a strategy to look at?
I mean, for me, I don't usually trade the open, so I'm going to wait, hopefully get the volatility to die down a little bit. And if we get a continuation to the downside, I'm just going to try to ride it and wait for a nice pullback. And we're going to jump in and hang on for dear life.
What? Oh, yeah, if you want. All right. Like I said, looking here at the NASDAQ right now, 21,131 level. What a move. Anybody get this short last night? Anybody get this short last night? Who made 1,000 points? I asked Brett earlier if he had anybody that made 1,000 points last night trading, and we have not got confirmation yet. I heard Brett was extremely short Friday afternoon. Extremely short and extremely long the VIX. Who would have thought? I think he's got insider knowledge. The Najarian brothers sent him a text message, said, bro, all in on the VIX. Get all in right now. Someone said, I got trapped in a long on Friday. Ooh. You do not want to be long from Friday right now because that would not be good. That would not be good at all. That'd be very, very bad, actually. That would not be good. That'd be very bad news. Not the good news you want to see, that's for sure. All right, we got some people here on the stream today. Oh, there she is. Little late. Little late. Oh, somebody's a little late today. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, I was like, where's Lauren? And then she walked in. I was like, oh, there she is. A little late. So, NUTTYBAR, tell us, how's the BDH?
BDH was
I know you
great.
like to trade in the closet normally, but
Yeah, we have going from trading in a closet to the BDH, which, yeah, I was driving down. I don't know the road, what the road was, but it's pretty evident when you have arrived. It's a big cock right on the side of the building. I'm like, yep, we have arrived. It's pretty crazy.
I think you drove by it.
I did. I
Then you
drove
saw the
by it.
cock. You saw that massive cock and you just had to pull over.
We put it in reverse.
All right. What do you normally do you normally trade in 1 minute, 5 minute, 2 minute?
Usually
1 second.
Nope. 2 minutes is my go-to. 2 minutes and 2 minutes with a 21 EMA and the VWAP, and I just basically look for momentum and jump in on a pullback. It's really not rocket science for me. I'm a pretty simple guy. I just look for momentum and ride the wave.
Just a pretty simple NUTTYBAR.
Try not to
much
get
more.
shot in the tick. That's the main thing.
Shot in the tick?
Yes, that is a term.
Is that Amish for don't get shot in the dick?
No, it's shot in the tick. You'll understand when anyone that watched my stream, they know what I'm talking about.
Nutty, did you take $200,000 in payouts last year?
I did.
200.
I did.
That's a lot of money in the Amish world.
It is. I'm very blessed.
You think you're one of the top Amish streamers in the world?
I guess I don't know. I don't know if they keep track of that.
They have the Amish awards for the top streamers.
It's streamer awards.
I think next year if my marketing team is listening, we need to have the top Amish streamer in the prop firm space award. There's anybody else out there? Do you know anybody else who's converted and now as YouTuber?
Well,
that TV show.
I don't think so.
Remember that TV show back in the day where it's like I converted or whatever?
Yep.
Like how real was that show? Was it all real or fake?
A lot of fake. There's very few of the Amish shows that are actually legitimately. If you want to know like about the Amish, probably the best way is
to read a book.
Read a book, or Peter Santinelli. He has a YouTube channel.
Okay.
And he does a really good job of like actually showing how it more like reality.
I like it. All right, well, we got about 5 minutes here. 5 minutes until market opens. We got a couple special guests here today. We got Brett Simba over there. He's got a stack of cash. I don't know what for, but I think somebody got a payout around here. I told Brett when I get my first payout with Tradeify, I better see him in my office with a stack of cash because I don't want none of that Rise money bullshit. He did pay me with the Rise actually, but just gotta, for people out there, don't comment and be like, wait, did Brett really come? I can't believe YouTubers get such special treatment. Brett came to Patrick's office and gave him $15,000 in cash. It's not fair. It's not fair. Oh man, here we go. 3 minutes till market opens. What a time to be alive. If we look 15-minute chart right now, I'm like, are we going to continue this sell-off? The market down on the day right now, 3.6%. We had, I think, NVIDIA down 11%. We had a lot of big movers this morning, obviously, with the news. China coming out with its own AI that'll basically rival ChatGPT. And you know that, recently a lot of American companies have been promoting the fact that they're going to be on the top of the cutting edge of AI. So for China to do it the way that they did it the Chinese way, which is basically did it on the cheap with child labor. They had 20 children, built the best AI in the world. Obviously, I'm not an AI expert, but that's what my intel has told me. It was 20 children with a $10 million budget, They were playing Fortnite and they decided to start their own AI app. So a little bit of trouble here. I think today is going to be one of those days, though, where we get those 100-point movers. You know, every 2-minute candle is going to be 100 points. Either way, it is wild. It is crazy. It's Mega Money Mondays, and we're here from the live at the greatest place in the world to day trade. There is nowhere better. Nowhere else will you get 2 gingers for the price of 1. That's right. We're not going to charge you extra today. Don't worry. Don't worry. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, we got to get some likes here on the stream. You know what they say, Brett Simba in the house, the guy, he's a man of the people. So the more activity, the more likes, the more love, the more support. You never know. He might do something crazy. Don't quote me on it, but he might. He could do something crazy. Trump. We're at 420 right now. 420. 1,000 likes and Brett's going to get pumped up and do something. He's going to take his shirt off and get wild and crazy, he said. Get ready. All right, Nutty Bar, you're on. You got to trade the first candle of the day, all in. How many contracts do you trade normally?
So I'm going to, with the volatility we have today, I'm going to do 2 micros.
2 micros.
It's going to be, I'm going to try to keep, got to have a big stop loss with this kind of market. And I don't want to get in here and take a huge loss on my first trade. So we're going to look for, I still think we go down.
Still go down. Okay.
That's what I'm looking for.
All right. Nutty Bar said we're going down. I'm going long, baby.
I love it.
Right now, looking here at the 21 EMA there on the 2-minute chart, I want to see what happens. You got the VWAP up there at the 241s. I would not be surprised to see just a fucking boner candle straight up to the VWAP here at open possible. Let's see if the bulls are going to want to buy this dip on the NASDAQ. Here we go. Market is open, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Up there to the 140s now. Get through the 140s. Could squeeze straight up there to the 50s next. Just like that. Ayo and the yayo. You know, I don't want to say I told you so, but Daddy told you so. Took a little long there above the 34s up there into the 50s. I heard Nutty Bar's short over there. Just kidding. Come on, Nutty Bar. I told you it was going to go up.
That's great. That's great. I'm not trading this.
All right,
That's okay.
All right. Look at it. It's still ripping right now.
Yep.
Still ripping. I took, oh my God, it's still going. Brett, can I get a refund on my sell? I sold at 50. I would like to sell at the 70, sir. Can you just go into the little prop firm, dashboard and just move up my, look, it's still going.
I'll just erase the trade.
No, don't erase it. I want to just, well, up there to the 190s now. It's up. There's a 200 push. I mean, sometimes I impress myself, people. Look at that. If we go to the 240s, I want fucking,
Gap fill.
Gap fill? Are you kidding me right now?
I'm here, so.
We're going, baby.
Last time I stepped in, we pumped.
We're going. Nutty Bar, where are we at?
240s and going.
God.
VWAP is almost touched.
Can you believe that at one point Nutty Bar was my biggest hater on the internet, and now he's here to witness the man, the myth, the legend in person?
We
I'm
had to
not
come
gonna
see.
lie, I blew that trade really hard. But I
Hey.
also Brett told me earlier, he's like, Patrick, listen, you just trade consistent. Just do it consistent. And I said,
VWAP.
wow, it's the most amazing information anyone's ever gave me before. So we're here, we're doing it. We'll have Brett on here. Brett said he'll jump on the stream if we get 1,000 likes and put a trade on with his $1 million account. 500 contract trade, all in, baby.
House again.
I can't believe this thing is ripping right now. I mean, well, I can, but how did I take? That was sad. The fucked up part is I put my stop. I put a stop and then I got stopped out and then it kept going. I had a stop limit order, kind of trying to trail it. Here in my Tradeify accounts, we're up $500 times 5, $2,500 there. Right now, since I've already got my first payout, I got a payout last week with Tradeify on Friday. I requested the payout at like 5:40. It was in my bank account before 6 o'clock. And then I went out and I blew it all. I bought a new watch. I think Brett would be proud of me. I feel like Brett would be proud of my watch purchase. I'll show him later. But right now, pushing. Looking at the NASDAQ, right up there to the VWAP. I don't want to say I told you so. I don't want to tell you what I told you so. Tyrese in the chat said he did the opposite of Nutty Bar and printed. Hey, you know, Nutty Bar is still over there holding and hoping and praying. What's your plan here, Nutty?
I'm just waiting. I want to see what happens with VWAP. If we
get rejected or
if we reject
bounce
off VWAP, then I'm still potentially looking for a short. If we rip above VWAP here, I'm looking for a long. Just wait for a pullback. Try to be patient.
All right, I like it. Good way to look at it. I like it. I like your style.
We actually trade very similar, I've discovered.
Who would have thought?
Who would have thought?
Who would have thought that my biggest hater on the internet turned into my biggest supporter?
Too funny.
It is funny. It is kind of.
good.
It's a story of life, right?
It is.
Sometimes you know, there's a big line and there's a smaller line, and those two lines at some point they come together.
That's right.
And they both roar at each other, and one of the lions goes, "Damn, he got a bigger cock than me," and the other line just becomes friends with the big cock line. I'm not saying that was how it happened, but I feel like if in the animal world, that's how it basically happened.
I feel like that was a bad analogy, but
If we get above 250 here, I think NASDAQ has some more room to push. Up there, the 236 is. Just got to go straight through the 250s.
all right.
Right there at the VWAP now. Will she have enough to push? A lot of volatility here today. 1,000-point move down overnight. It's a wild, wild, fun party. NASDAQ right now sitting there, 240, 250 area at the VWAP for now. Needs to just rip to get through the VWAP here. We got that pivot point coming up next. 21,310 pivot point to the upside there. Would like to see that move. Looking at the 1 minute chart right now, kind of flirting with the idea of being a bull flag to push up there through the 300s next. Just flirting. Stuck at the VWAP for now.
Yep. Can't seem to get above it.
Got that 21 EMA down there, 21,175s. There's that push again. 250 area. Just get through that 250 area. See if we can't go 300s or more. 300s or more, people.
There we go.
Take out that little high there at the 75s and then try to get it gone. People, you know that people are trying to buy that dip on Nvidia, down 11% on the day, waking up. It's like a gift, Christmas gift. It's on Black Friday sale, baby. It's on Black Friday sale here. Black Monday, Black Swan Mondays here. NASDAQ still just battling here at the 21 EMA. I mean, sorry, with the VWAP now. Get this little base to push. Got the Dow YM already breaking out to the upside through that flag right now. The ES, the NASDAQ trying to push up here. ES is right at a pivot point now. Just kind of wait to see if we get through this 250 area strong. We pushed up 259s. Now it's like above this 260 area to try to go to that pivot point there next. $250s again, trying to push. As long as these bulls hold up here, 240, 230 area, we try to go higher. Trouble for now, right there. Just needs to break out. Boner candle to the 300s there next coming. You see how I said that? There's so many sexual indications going on around here. People ask me, how do I trade? I just trade with boner candles and coming, babe. I mean, sexual boners. 21,300. Nutty Bar over there laughing. He can't handle the heat. Look at him. He's getting hot.
Oh,
Getting hot right now, Nutty.
The BDH is crazy. I'm telling you.
It's the biggest, the largest. All right. All right, Nutty. You said you were going to wait to see what happens here with the VWAP.
Looks like
it's going
we're pushing,
higher, sir.
We're pushing through it.
Why?
Through.
What were you looking for here?
I just want to see how it reacts to it. If it pushes through, I want it to hold above. I want this candle to close above the VWAP. Once it closes above, then just wait for a pullback. It's kind of hard to. This is where it's difficult with this volatility. Some of the pullbacks can be 100 points.
100-point pullback. Good time to get short then when it pulls back 100 points.
I hope.
All right. Where are we at with the likes right now? We're so close to 4,000 viewers here today. We got Brett Simba in the house. He said he's not getting on until we get 1,000 likes. You know, these prop firm CEOs, man, they're very demanding. Very demanding people. I work with all of them, and they're all the same. They all want the limelight. They all want to be famous for some reason. I think Scott he wanted to be the most famous. Did you ever meet Scott? I feel like y'all should have been friends. Just like y'all had a good love romance on Twitter.
We're both from Jersey. That
was fun. How happy were you when it? I mean, maybe not happy, but like, obviously you were like, I feel like one of the stronger opponents of just talking shit about Scott and his business. And when it all played out, it's not that you're happy, but it's
like
kind of just like you're like, yeah, I knew it. You know, it's like bittersweet because you don't want like people to obviously get fucked over, but at the same time, it's like, well, I told you guys.
Just not good at all.
Yeah, no, it was bad. It was definitely a bad situation, but it's kind of nice being right, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Same way when I told everyone that Rips was a big, massive fraud. Well, where's he at now? No longer on Top Step TV. I wonder if it's because the lawfare. I think the lawfare might have got him. Top Step TV lawfare took out fucking Rips, man. It took him out. Motherfuckers took him out. All right, NASDAQ still pushing, like we said, through the 50 area now. That's about a 30-point move through the 60s, up there to the 88s. Don't tell me I didn't tell you so. How does the stream always get stuck right at fucking 4,000 views? I don't understand it. Every time. They're rigging this shit. The cabal, the deep fake. It's crazy. Like every day, it's like resistance. 4,000 resistance every time. We get so close and then just stuck. All right. NASDAQ, will she go? I locked in more profit here in my Apex accounts. We're up $700. Took that trade here above taking this little bull flag, and then didn't even milk it all the way, but still bull flags, bear flags, bull flags, baby. The way I look at it too is we had a huge move down. I mean, it's just massive. The market's got to kind of like reset a little bit. Even if we do end up being red on the day, the market, you're going to have some buyers trying to step in here, you know, at open, just expecting some type of retracement back to the upside, especially if you look at the bigger time frames here. Look at the hourly chart. I mean, you just got to expect some type of pushback up. This bounce off that 779, 800 level. Good Lord, that was the move right there. Well, I mean, the move was the move, but NASDAQ, 21,300. Just there. Just there, baby. 21,300 wants to go. Wants to go. How am I supposed to? I'm supposed to trade. I'm supposed to fucking call the market. Supposed to deal with the camera tech. It's too much. I need a person. Where's my people at? I need more people. Victoria, I need more people. Just find me people. I need a tech guy. I need a full-time tech guy. 'Cause I cannot be working like this. It's embarrassing. I got the CEO of one of the largest prop firms in the space here, and he's witnessing the debacle behind the scenes right now. NASDAQ still holding that 250, 240 area, the bull flag. We're holding up. The VWAP still holding up there, Nutty.
It is. I like what I'm seeing for a long.
Okay, NuttyBar likes what he's seeing for a long. But what do you have to see to get into the long? There it goes again. 21,300 coming up.
Just waiting. I would usually, I actually don't trade until like after 10,
Okay.
10, 15, just because of volatility. Yeah, just waiting right now. Just chilling. Watching the man do it.
You got 3,800 people waiting. 4,000 right now, actually. We broke 4,000.
Let's go.
Is this the most you ever had watching you?
Yes, it is. I can confirm.
Damn. Does it feel weird?
Yeah.
There's like 4,000 little weirdos sitting at their house right now watching you. People always like get mad. Like, Patrick, you talk about your chat. You know, the people that watch you make fun of them. Like, I'm not making fun of them. I'm just, I'm just pointing out the fact that there's 4,000 people out there that are watching a guy named NUTTYBAR and Patrick Wieland just live on YouTube talking about trading. What a bad idea. You know, like they say, don't take advice from idiots on the internet. And I mean, I always say, I'm like, I might be the #1 idiot on the internet. Don't do like me, be like me. That's also a saying I like to say.
What's Top Step doing? We forgot that we need to check Top Step.
Oh, they're
Someone
down.
needs to-
Top Step trading the combine today. Oh, how
no.
great. How great is that? Brett, when are we going to get a leaderboard? I want a leaderboard.
It's coming.
A Tradeify leaderboard.
February.
February? Leaderboard?
Yeah.
How much can I pay to just be on top of the leaderboard forever? And then NUTTYBAR can make a video about it and be like, fucking Patrick Wieland's on top of the fucking payouts over at Tradeify.
Actually, Brett, what we need I want to do a Tradeify top 10 list.
Ooh.
For the month, every month.
Per month, all right.
I'd be down.
NUTTYBAR loves fucking Excel sheets. Give that guy an Excel sheet and he's happy boy.
That's right.
Happy boy.
Very true.
NASDAQ trying to push up there to the 21,300s. That pivot point right there at open. I told everybody in the chat, expect a boner candle to the upside. I don't want to say I was right, but I mean, that's a pretty fucking big boner. That guy took some Cialis or something. After this level, we get through this 300 pivot point all the way up there at 443. It sounds crazy, but I mean, anything's possible. Deep fake is fake. Who are the females in the back? Well, we don't like to talk about them in person, but since they're wired in right now, they can't hear anything. We got Lauren, who's head of my digital marketing and strategies, and then behind Colin over there, he's a large blocker. He blocks a lot of. He's big boy. He's my filmer / bodyguard. And then to your far left over there, the blonde, beautiful, amazing, inspirational fitness business owner / Patrick Wieland left-hand man. Ginger's my right-hand man. Victoria's my left-hand man, if you know what I mean. Hey, there we go. NASDAQ through the 300s now, 21,300. Oof. I only need to make, what, 4,500 in the Tradeify accounts? And it's like, I don't really need to like do it. Like, I'm up $500 a day.
Yeah, you can actually have smaller days.
I have smaller days, so it's like I really don't need to even push it. But I still can't, oh, that was look at that, ugh. My first buy in these Tradeify accounts down there at the 34s, took profit at the 49s, LOLO, AA. NASDAQ still pushing. Good Lord. Good Lord. We get 1,000 likes here yet? We get 1,000 likes. We're putting Brett Simba in the chair. He might take a trade. You never know. We'll see what happens. I'll let him trade my Tradeify accounts. Is that a conflict of interest?
Yeah, that's for sure.
Come on, come trade my Tradeify account.
I'll do a challenge.
Challenge my Tradeify account?
I'll do an advanced or growth challenge on yours.
No, you gotta trade my Tradeify account.
No.
Oh, come on. All right, look at this thing, still pushing. Nutty, what are you doing over there? You haven't taken any trades yet?
Nope.
And
Nope.
I'm literally sitting here telling you what to do.
You are. That's right.
You could have. Nutty Bar would have had his best day ever. He would have had his best day ever if he would have just listened to PW.
But,
But Patrick, you never tell me what to do.
no, we're waiting.
All right.
I gotta wait.
All right.
Wait till the volatility dies down.
All right,
Gotta be patient.
let's put Brett in here for a minute, see if he can make something happen. We'll put him in. What do you want to look at the trade of fate? You can log out of that one if you want, or mess around on this one. NASDAQ right up there into that 320 area. Bull flags, baby, bull flags. Nutty Bar's got to wake up. He's going to wake up here when we play golf later when I whoop that ass.
Oh, we need to determine.
We need to put $100 on every hole.
Let's do it. $100 skins.
$100. Whoever's closest to the pin wins. All right. The man, the myth, the legend. Is it weird that your company's name is on the top of the screen?
We got another special coming in. You guys hit 1,000 likes, so we got to do some giveaways too. Maybe I got my races from Nutty Bar over there. He showed me those duck races and shit.
Oh, we can do a duck race.
We might need a Nutty Bar special duck race. We might need a candy bar race, honestly, up in here.
It's pretty fun. It's pretty fun.
So we already got a deal live. I don't know if anybody knows what the deal is. Let's see if first one to realize what the special is on Tradeify right now. The difference. You get a free. I'll give you a 50K straight to funded account. You tell me what the difference is right now. No, that's not what it is. None of that. You got to be exact, guys. It has actually nothing to do with a funded account, to be honest. No, nobody knows, huh? It's right there. It's right there. It's pretty close. It's something new. 30 off. No deal, no. See if I can edit his shit here, where it's an overlay, I think.
I'll be messing with my indicators.
Yeah. This is an overlay, right? It's not a text edit. All right. Well, right now, all advanced account. This is the top of the top, an Apex special we call it. $35, all advanced accounts. 50K, 100K, 150K accounts right now, guys. 99 activation.
With the code PW?
With the code PW.
Oh! Oh!
With the code PW. Good until maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We'll see.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You liking it? Like
Advanced accounts, all 35. Somebody said it. Who said it first? I don't know. I got to give away an account here. I'm just going to decide that it's one of you guys right here.
4100 watching.
Who really wants
Let's
it?
go.
That should have been your trade right there.
Who said it? Nobody said it.
I know. I want to wait till it breaks.
That was it. You're waiting.
I said 35
I was-
first.
Did exactly
Gamer
what you
TV. It might be
Right
you.
here. could have
iGamer
been.
4
I was
TV.
on-
I think it's you.
One of my rules is not to take a trade until after 10:15, though. But
I'm just
but I
saying.
agree.
The
I
fact
agree.
that you said you're gonna wait to see.
Guys,
the
little
closing
Q&A.
hours.
You guys tell me what do you guys
When
how
it
you guys
came
like in
back in
Tradeify?
touch,
You guys
they
liking the
should've
journal and everything? How about
No,
PW stats on
one
there?
of my
This man traded pretty fucking
struggles is
I'll
consistent.
tell you a secret too. Anytime you get a doji candle like that you
Which
basically, we're gonna go up on that.
which
Yeah.
which
'Cause that
I don't even
candle just,
remember
like,
what
basically
screen am I on
is
here,
a
dude.
sign
This guy's
that
got so
we're
many fucking straps.
trapped
Alright, here we go.
trapped
Over
the
here.
shorts.
Because look where the range on that candle is, right? If
Yeah.
that doji would have came like down and we'd gotten below this, then it'd been trapped
Right.
the other way.
No,
The
and
fact
even
that we
right.
basically trapped the sellers. Sellers were sitting there, we trapped them, and then now we're taking them out.
Yeah.
30.
Agreed.
I'm
It's
doing a little
just-
pinned in here. Let's see if I
Agreed.
know how to do this shit.
I'd have a
30.
struggle
This
with,
guy's got this fucking
especially when I'm
little
not
ass
trading well, like
light
being
up keyboard in
hesitant,
this bitch.
and then second guessing
$35.
everything.
Oh, sorry.
What was that?
So,
Oh,
it was
oh.
the problem is, the problem is, it's just like
$35. Hold on a second here, chat. We'll do some fun shit. All right. There we go. We're pinned in here. I did a pinned. I'm taking over.
Taking over?
I pinned the sale.
Oh fuck.
All right, you guys want to see where we're at here? Let's see. So I like, yeah, this is right here. It's actually right here. This was a 50% retrace. Can I? Is this on? Sorry, last thing. Is this on the screen or the window? Can I move this over here? I don't know.
No, it's on this display.
All right.
Your head.
That's annoying. I like looking over here so I can see the chat and shit.
Yeah.
All right. Whatever. Back and forth. All right. So from the open, from that gap down right here, guys. Right. I'm gonna remove his pivots here. Probably kill me for it real quick. But anyway. So from that gap down, guys, we have a. This is the open, right? Even if we take it from the high here. Nah, I'll take it from the gap. So we chopped around that level, that 250, right here. You guys can see that 250. That took a while to break through on the fib. That's exactly where we had that bear flag, if you can see here, that broke down. You know, Pat loves those bear flags right here, right? So broke down here pretty much right at the start of the Euro session, 3 a.m. So we had that big breakdown here, and then right at about 6 or so, we started to get that move back up. We're heading up into the GP here. If I was looking for a move for shorts, it wouldn't be until this 400 or so level. I know it's another 100 points up. That doesn't mean to take a long, but that's what I think. Hey, Kellyanne, thanks for being here. Someone changed my name to Skip. Hey, all. Shout out Kellyanne. How you doing? Please explain the advanced accounts. Advanced accounts are just like, you know, Apex. You got the trailing drawdown. So, guys, it's a cheaper barrier to entry. $35 to get in. $35 to get in. Any size account. There's a $99 activation fee on those. So, if you guys are having trouble with, you know, passing some evals, throw in there a little bit of a discount for you guys. On those. Typically they are, you know, 80 plus, especially for the big sizes. So $35, all advanced accounts for you guys. In addition, there is a website crash. Did we crash? No. No, not you.
Oh.
So
We crashed?
no way.
Can we break it? Come on, boys.
No. No, dude.
Hey, the power of PW, baby.
No, now you're making me take out the phone.
The power of PW. We crash websites, boys. We crash websites. Let's go, chat.
No,
Let's go, chat.
Gotta pull out the fucking bat phone now.
Oh, fucking hey, classic. This happened, you know, one time, the first time I ever talked about Tradify, the live stream, he was doing maintenance or something on the website. Remember that?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Up, we're back. We're back.
Hey,
we're back.
Bye.
Maybe I can show a little sneak peek. No, I don't know if I can. How much did you make on that trade? Maybe I can get something for you. Hold on. What am I pulling back up
Right
here?
there.
This one?
That one, yeah.
Oh,
No, that
this one.
Yeah.
568.64. Let me see if I can get a little special. Was that on the NASDAQ?
On the
Yeah.
NASDAQ.
All right,
Literally,
let me see if I can
There's
get a
the
little
open there,
graphic.
too.
All right, site should be back. Just a little slow. The technical difficulties went through the PW BDH to the site, apparently. Anyway, all right, we're good to go. Keep the Frieza. Who knows about Frieza, by the way? Why don't you leave prop and go to Hollywood? That's what he should do, right? He might make the big bucks there. He'll like that one. What's Nutty's code? I don't know. I don't know if we can say that on this one here. Does the trailing drawdown go away? The trailing drawdown does lock. Brett, why are you not streaming? Because I'm here now. I'm running a business, but I'm here now. What is your profit right now this day? Let's see. He's up 568 in 5 accounts, so, you know, a little over 2,700 there, 2,750. It doesn't show 35. At checkout, should be $35. Let me know if it doesn't work. Should work. Got to use the code PW. 2 bull flags, 2 profits. How does a prop firm do daily? Hey, it depends day to day, but pretty good overall. Is that 35 just for the first month? Yes, that is just for the first month. Then it goes to the original price that is listed. So I think it is right now 50, 75, 100. So that is just for the first month. So if you do fail, keep that in mind. Maybe we can change the resets though. Let me get that done for you guys. Let me get that done. Let me get that done. So there will be $35 resets as well. I forgot to change that one. Good point. Thanks, chat. Hey, we're coming up here to that GP. That 21,400. We're still a ways off it, but 70 points is nothing when you dump over 1,000. So let's see if we can get any shorts. I'll be looking to take in this 400 or so range. To be honest, it's not up until 480 here, but that 50% level right here, where that bear flag we talked about at the Euro Open.
Website's still down. Sir.
It's still down? No. They might have paused it. They might have paused it to update it quick. Oh no, dude.
Breaking the internet, dog. Here, you go work on your website.
Fucking A. All right.
I'll deal with this.
Yeah.
God. Take the CEO out of the fucking office and everything just hits the fucking floor, baby. All right, NUTTYBAR, what you doing over there? Let's get an update.
Hey, it's 10 o'clock. I mean, I love what I'm seeing. It's a slow grind higher. I love it. I'm just trying to be patient here, getting a little bit of FOMO, but trying to be patient, waiting for 10, 15, and still looking for a long then.
Hey, your friend Kellyanne is in the chat.
Oh, Kellyanne.
She left $35 for NUTTYBAR. She said NUTTYBAR's too poor. Here's $35.
My good friend Kellyanne.
Are you guys good friends? Or is it kind of like when me and you were like battling?
We have our disagreements, but she's a good gal. She's got a good heart.
What was it like? I know me and you got into it a couple times, like back and forth, but
we did.
What was the real reason that you hated me so much?
I wouldn't say that I hated you, Patrick. I definitely not. I didn't hate you. It was more like
you were on a mission at one point. It was just like you were making videos with my name, like you were trying hard to.
No, I was trying to like getting the full transparency and just like showing everything. I think is the biggest thing. But one thing I've come to realize is every YouTube channel has their own way of doing things, and just because I don't do it the same as someone else, that doesn't make it right or wrong. And just gotta, do my own thing more or less and let it be. So
I would say probably the one thing that I've learned in the last year is basically retards are going to be retards no matter what. So like the whole transparency thing, fighting, is just like there's not much you can do, because you have people like ICT who are going to basically claim they make millions of dollars, but they never ever showed any type of proof. And it's just like people eat it up. They just absolutely eat it up, and you're going to spend more time and energy trying to defeat the myth of these people than you will just like it becomes like overwhelming, right? It's just I got to a point where I was like, no matter what I did, people are still like, yeah, but ICT is the best trader. I'm like, are you what is wrong with you people? Like what do I have to say? What do I have to show to prove that he's not?
Yep.
It won't matter, like no matter what. So it's fun. I think it's good. Me and you we had our little thing, but at the end of the day, it was just kind of a good little. I think you even said it kind of like motivated you to trade better.
Yeah, I definitely I remember we went. It was, I forget, a year and a half ago when we had our trading challenge, and yeah, we definitely had it going on. We went back and forth quite a bit, and I had my viewpoints. You had yours. That's great, and I think it was entertaining. I definitely learned. I don't think I was quite ready for that.
I mean, you you proved number one last year that you could get payouts. You know, and to be honest, like that was my thing. You know, that whenever I talk shit about Nutty, I was like, oh, this fucking guy doesn't even get payouts.
Yeah.
You know, so it's funny because now you've done that. And to be honest, what you did was motivated me as well, because it got to a point where I was like, all right, like I knew I could get the payouts and I knew I could get that big payout, but like I needed someone to like call my bullshit and be like, hey, Patrick, like, you know, we get it. Like, you think you're the best trader, but like, we got to see some type of like fucking consistency here. And I was like, you know, I kind of got caught in my own sauce for a little bit. And that's why you see, you know, 2024 like was very slow to start with payouts. And then by the end of 2024, it was like nobody could really talk shit anymore. Cause now it's like, hey,
Exactly.
I fucking did it. You know,
Yeah.
I got the payout.
Yeah, and I think that's like mad respect to you. So, like that was part of it. Like getting payouts, I think we can all agree that's what matters. And this last year, your $600,000 plus $800,000 in payouts with Apex.
When I got that $600,000 payout, I know it sounds fucked up, but like I was literally thinking to myself, I'm like, NuttyBAR better make a fucking video about this. He better make a fucking video about this because he never makes a video, you know. But he better make a fucking video about this.
Hey, I gave you your flowers.
You did.
I
Thank
did.
you. I do
And
appreciate
it was
that.
well deserved, and I like that's kind of a good point. Is as I remember you coming into my chat and we talking when it was almost more a motivation for you to get big days than consistent days, and you definitely 2024 you proved yourself and you made it about payouts. And hey, number one day trader, I think you can carry that, and it is what
Brett
it is.
Simmons gonna cry over here. Speaking of Brett Simmons, where the fuck's my money at, Brett?
Oh dear.
Look at some of them stacks over there.
Tradebait's broken, that's broken. This man got a payout though. We gotta make it rain on the guy here, man. I'm sorry.
Who's gonna clean this up? Who's gonna clean it up? So much money, so little time. Brett,
You guys are flooding the site right now. We got the Tradebait API down even.
even everything.
But we should be back. Usually takes about 10-15 minutes and then it's back up. There you go. This is the payout from the guy.
God, good thing I got people to clean this up.
You got Trump bottle and a bunch of hundreds.
I mean, I don't want to assume, but I feel like you're on the Trump side, right?
Yeah.
All right. I like you a little bit more. I was a little worried you might be liberal, to be honest. Just a little bit.
You're retweeting the right people, the right messages. Right.
Oh, I like it. NuttyBAR, what are you doing over there?
Hey, we might be entering a trade here if we get
right.
filled.
This is a nice spot.
All right, here we go.
Just
For a
getting a
long.
pullback here, and now
Yeah,
we
so
just need to make a move above the 300s.
This was the resistance we broke through. So
Yeah.
a flip might be support here. Yeah, right.
Feel
at
like we're-
280, 300.
If we can get some support here, then
Retrade. You got this screen.
We're looking at
See
we're
if we
looking at
get
NuttyBAR's
filled.
screen now. We're trying to see if he gets in on this.
see if we get filled.
I'm trying to get NuttyBAR filled.
Everybody buy.
Oh God. Any day now. Why 301? That's what you're
I just
looking at.
want
that?
it-
I like that. I like this.
So I'm basically just looking for a
Trying to
break.
look. Okay.
I always wanted to break this candle high.
Yeah.
Giving a little bit room above so I don't get wicked
What are you
in.
looking at right now? 1 minute or 2 minute?
2 minute. 2 minute.
I think you got my course, didn't you?
I know. I hear you talk about your course. I'm like, wow, that's actually kind of like I trade the bear flag, bull flags. I look at it a little bit different, but it's very similar. Maybe I did buy the course undercover.
That $5,000 I gave you. You're about to get filled, boy. Get ready.
Okay, here we go, boys.
What's your target?
Target? We're at the highs right here at 330s.
Okay.
I might take one off before.
He's in. NuttyBAR is in.
We're
Let's see if
in,
he can make
boys.
some money from the BDH.
Okay, I got to learn how to. This is a little bit. No, okay, Tradebait. I'm not used to having to put my orders in after the fact.
Nutty, I think we're in a good spot, buddy.
All right, I'm gonna take.
Need some help? You want the Dom? You want the Dom?
No, I'm good.
All right.
I'm gonna take some
Help
off
him,
here.
Brett. Help him.
I'm okay.
Help him, Brett. He's
Now,
in the money.
let's go, baby.
NuttyBAR's making money.
We making money today.
Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
All right, stop. Break even.
Break
Come
even
on,
the
market.
stop. I like it. Good
Don't-
management.
Don't do
The
me.
problem is you're gonna get stopped out probably.
I just realized I'm not copy trading on my other accounts. But,
Stop
oh well.
failed.
No, sir.
Did I just?
Sir. Sir, something's happening, sir.
Sir, what happened?
You're short now.
What happened? What did I do?
You're red now. You're almost. No, you're still green.
Okay.
No,
what-
he's in the red.
Everybody calm down. What did I hit?
Fucking nutty
Oh,
bar,
I know what I
man.
did. Okay, I know what I did. It's okay. It's not okay.
It's gonna work out, I think. Oh no!
No, I'm
he
just gonna
closed
get
it.
out. But what? Okay, this is
I
a
don't think you were
problem.
copy trading.
I know what I did. I
You
know
weren't
what I
copying.
did. So I was.
You just need to go back to break even and then copy and then make another rack. There you go. One.
I already had that, but I must not have selected it. All right, a little bit of technical difficulties. Nothing to worry about. Everything's fine. Oh man. All
What
right,
a day,
it's all
boys.
good.
What
It's
a
all
day.
good.
We're killing it over here. The fucking computer broke in the morning. We crashed Tradeify.
Okay.
China's taken over.
All right.
Do you have security for the China takeover, Brett?
Yeah, we do.
You got the deep fake?
Data is safe.
Your data is safe with the Chinese taking over Tradeify.
This worries me always when we fail to make new highs. I start to get a little bit concerned about a continuation here. So let's wait and see.
All right, let me take a look at this. Take a look at the chart here. We're pulling back. We got that 21 EMA right there on the 2-minute chart. We did have a little push, nice little push up. I think NUTTYBAR was up like fucking 20, 30 points there. He got a little greedy. He's been hanging out with the BDH. Been seeing all these $100 bills flying around. Thinks he's got to start trading like me over here
I had an out-of-body experience.
You know you gotta start stripping.
every day. I only strip a dollar bill, $100 bills.
Okay, this is potential again.
Maybe we can get some entertainment here one day in the stream. Some midgets. We'll do midget bowling. Midget bowling would be a good one. Midget wrestling.
You guys are crazy.
Gonna be good. All right, Nutty, are you? What are we thinking?
I'm curious about how we react to the 21 EMA here, and
I
gotta
would say as long as we hold that pivot point there, 260, 270
Yes.
area.
Yeah, the
I mean, now we're
280.
above that VWAP, nice. Now it's just gonna consolidate before wanting to push up here.
yeah, one thing if we start consolidating, I just want to make sure I'm not chasing any breakouts. That is a terrible habit that I have, chasing the breakouts once we start consolidating. So just got to
The
be
FOMO
patient.
is real.
Yeah, it is.
The FOMO is. Oh, I think you might have been a little preemptively early on moving that stop to break even,
Yeah, I probably was with this kind
especially
of volatility.
with this volatility, huh?
Yeah, agreed.
Dude, Brett,
Off that
the
50%?
journal's not popping right now. Why's my journal not update? Oh, there it is. Now it's there. 50% Tradeify?
Not that level.
Oh.
Right here. Boom.
320 again.
Tick.
320 again.
Green line, yeah.
Okay. I like it. I like what you're putting down. If you look here at my Tradeify accounts, I wanted to bring Brett here so he can validate that there is no funny business going on. No funny business, people. You can see my Tradeify accounts, 11,000, 15,000, 16,000, 12,096. You know, Brett,
Let's analyze the trades, man.
Brett, there's a conspiracy theory on the internet that Patrick trades multiple accounts. Is it possible to trade more than 5 accounts?
No. Doesn't even let you.
So that basically,
You can do challenges only.
and you would know if I like had, you know, if I signed up,
IP.
if I signed up with Victoria's account, it
Yeah.
was like doing the opposite.
Yeah, so we have IP tracking, we have hedging, you know, that we look out for. So
Do you get bad actors who try to like game the system?
There's
Like how
bad
do you
actors.
know right away they're bad actors?
So basically, you have like a risk management tool in the back end, just scans all the accounts pretty much at the end of the day or during the day whenever you run
Yeah.
it. And I mean, at that point, you just delete the accounts out. Some people, sometimes you'll refund them because those people tend to charge back or something like that. But
I feel I do have to give you guys props. I feel like you guys are kind of on the cutting edge of the tech right now. This journal thing, the journal is pretty sick. Of all the prop firms right now, I'd say you guys got the best journal.
And the newest thing's coming out soon. Let me see, if I can get.
You are the fucking king of just like hyping over here. This guy's.
That's where I came from, man.
Hey, they're so far ahead in the tech world that their website crashes.
And I just got. Let me see if I can.
Whoa.
Get this graphic.
50% off right now with Tradeify. We're still watching NUTTYBAR over here. I don't know why he's holding his breath, but doing something crazy.
Don't like what I'm. See how it reacts here.
I think this would be a great spot to trap, right? Like if you get that candle down through the VWAP and then right back up, that's what. Then I'd get excited for that next kind of bull flag setup. Right, like let me get a candle down. Just like give me a trap candle.
Yep.
Get those, run all those stops.
Almost need to wick down below the 250s.
For today. I'll do something really cool.
34. She's just holding right there.
1, 3, 4, 50. All right. And 2, 1, 1, 4, 9. 2 contracts.
2 contracts. $568.
Give me 3 minutes.
Make it holla.
And we'll preview the newest feature coming this week.
Ooh, newest feature. Who else is doing it like this?
All over social.
Who else is doing it like this?
UW's gonna be posting every day.
Every day, baby.
Let's see. How can I do this?
So on the day right now, we're sitting pretty here. We're in the green. $700 times 20 accounts there. And I'm happy with that. We got our Tradeify accounts in the green right now as well. Take profit accounts in the green. People will be like, Patrick, what prop firm's your favorite? You know what's my favorite prop firm? The one that fucking pays. And well,
I think we paid the quickest.
paid, baby. We're getting paid around here. Right now, NASDAQ just kind of holding up here. There's money everywhere, man. There's money everywhere. Nutty, I think you should get long right here. That way the market's going to stop you out and then go higher.
Right. I know that's exactly what it's going to happen.
Isn't it funny how that works?
It
It
will.
is so true.
I'm
It's
worried
like
that we're going to wick lower.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We get that wick lower, and they get that candle to close up in that range again.
Yep.
Give me like a nice little wick. This is a 2-minute chart you're looking at, right?
Yes.
Move your screen a little to like the over towards the price.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Yeah. I see. You know what's funny is I've noticed some other traders. They all trade with like the price with the candles far away from the price.
Yeah, it's weird.
Do you
I
do
always
that
like
normally?
it in like center of my screen for some reason.
Yeah,
I don't even know
I trade
why.
with like the numbers with the candles right next. Like I want the candles like right next to the price. Kind of
Yeah,
like how
I see
trade.
that.
You gotta step up your game, dog.
All right. Yeah, I'm just waiting.
This could give us that.
See
Let's
if
get that
this
wick.
wicks down lower.
Yeah.
If we get a
I'd
trap.
say like 230 area to like
Right.
wick into would be sick.
Like 230, 240, wick down below, then close above the VWAP and looking for a long.
Someone in the chat said the market is gonna tank from here. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
How
Chat-
often do you listen to the chat, Nutty?
Chat is undefeated. Well, see, my chat
Different kind of chat?
is like
Wait, do you have Warren Buffett in your chat too?
yeah,
'Cause-
I got some geniuses in my chat.
Yeah, I got
And-
million-dollar traders in my chat every day. It's the weirdest thing. I swear, everyone is so good at trading except for me somehow.
You know, hindsight trading is the best strategy.
You get the guys who tell you, "I told you so."
Oh yeah, I
Nutty,
told you so.
to sell at 330 and then buy back at 230.
Yeah, well, you gotta love it. I told you.
Pick one in the middle here.
Yeah.
Like, and then this is
Okay, that
which
one.
one? Purple. And then
purple.
middle bottom.
And you did that one.
Same one.
Yeah,
Purple?
purple people eater.
All right, I like anything above the 292s here. If,
Ooh, okay.
if we wick down lower, now we could just fall apart here. We could if this starts going down below the 210s.
All right, so you've got basically you're looking for it to get above that last little candle there.
Yeah,
or the
this-
candle that we're currently on.
The body of this candle, the previous body candle is kind of what I look at.
Yeah.
But I want to see like a dip. I want to see a wick and a
Yeah. We want that wick kind of almost into the 200s maybe.
right, yep, 240, 230s, something to freak out the bulls and then.
Get that
Seems like that I've see that move a lot more lately with this volatility. Just a wick lower
top
and
step's
rip
long
it.
right now.
Oh no! Everybody, abort mission! Abort mission!
No, it's gonna dip down, stop them out, and then we go higher.
All right, maintain course. Never mind.
Maintain. I'm excited to play golf with you. I don't even like golf, but I'm excited to play with you.
I'm excited. And Patrick, you know Patrick, he does it always the biggest, the best, and he bought new golf clubs. So
I got my outfit ready. Look, I got my hat. I got my glasses.
Hey, you look great.
Ooh. Top Golf. You got Top Golf in Ohio? You're from Ohio, right?
Yes, we do.
You do? I didn't know they had Top Golf in Ohio.
They do in Cleveland, actually a little bit south of Cleveland.
I've actually never met anyone from Ohio. What's it like in Ohio?
Ohio, man.
What's the best part of Ohio?
The best part of Ohio.
Because I know you got no beaches.
Well, it's definitely not the Cleveland Browns. It's maybe the Buckeyes. Maybe the Buckeyes.
Put Victoria on. If we get 1,500 likes, we'll put Victoria on again. It's got to be 1,500. She said she don't want to come on for less than that. It's snowing, I guess, obviously there. It fucking snowed in Florida. Did it snow in Sarasota when you were there?
No, it did not.
What made you want to come to Sarasota? You guys had like a little Amish retreat area?
No.
A lot of Amish in the Sarasota.
There is actually the Amish. The Sarasota area has a lot of Amish. If you ever visit,
I fucking knew it.
They do. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. So yeah.
What did your wife think about the idea of you going to the BDH? Does she like have any rules like no strippers, no cocaine? Nothing.
That is definitely not allowed. We have standards. No, she was very supportive.
That's awesome. No, it's funny because, well, obviously you guys have been married for a long time, but you know, me and Victoria, we haven't been together as long as you have with your wife, so she didn't really know the whole backstory. I told her, I was like, yeah, I used to fucking hate the guy. I wanted to murder him at one point. I wanted to just.
You were
God, you pissed me off so much sometimes.
You want to do a battle. You want to do a boxing match at one point, if I remember correctly.
I would fucking destroy you, NUTTYBAR.
Hey, yeah,
no doubt.
I need to tell you something. Do you know Amish karate?
Amish karate?
Yeah, for real. It's legit.
Yeah?
Yeah, you hit and run. I just need to be faster than you.
No fucking way. I swear to God. Tradeify is down. God.
Oh
50%
my God.
Tradeify. We broke it again, dude. All right, look what we're doing right now. We're kind of right there at that VWAP right now.
This is a little bit of a dangerous.
Look at that reversal though so far. Where did we tap? Oh my God.
We went right down to the 230s.
Did we not?
Did we ever?
Did we not?
Did we not say that?
Two. There was two gingers, two targets. All right, so now wait. You move your target, or you move your entry.
I'm gonna wait a little bit. This is sometimes when you get faked out a little bit. I have a tendency to get a little too aggressive on my buys here.
Oh, wire hit.
Ooh, Betsy was funded.
I'm funded.
He's funded.
I'm self-funded here.
Oh snap!
Self-funded.
Let's see how we react to VWAP
Max
here.
long. Brett said he's going max long. Just kidding. Not financial advice. Someone said, "Damn, NUTTYBAR called 330 long and 230 pullback. He's too good."
I did not call three. Wait, did I call 330 long?
No, I think you said 330 for a target.
Oh, for the target.
Yeah,
That's right.
yeah.
Until I messed up my. I'm not used to this Tradeivate platform. It got me.
Brett, you're about to be the most hated person on my live stream. Now they're all trying to buy Tradeify accounts and it won't work.
It'll be there tomorrow. It'll be there tomorrow.
It'll be there tomorrow. Oh God. Just can't ever come back to the BDH because you're gonna break the internet every time. I have the same thing happen on my website. My IT guy's like, he's like, our website, you can send 1,000 million people there and it'll never crash. Literally, every time I send the chat there, it crashes. And the funny part is, to upgrade your servers, it's pretty cheap. I'm like, how much does it cost to upgrade? It's like $12 a month. I'm like, I like that. I have a reasonable developer. When are we gonna get the NUTTYBAR course? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. We're getting close here.
Because you see the problem right now, this could turn into a bear flag.
Exactly. That's what I'm being cautious of. Almost to be safe, I should be waiting until we get above the 290s.
I mean, me personally, I would say get a close above. We want to get above that 300 level here, right?
That
Get
would be
above
even. That
300.
would be better. Even
Yeah.
better. Yes. But it is
But,
looking really good.
I mean, it's doing exactly what we just talked about.
It
We
is.
pulled back right into the VWAP now. Here's your explosion to the upside now. Here's that 300 push.
This is
We're
where,
trying. Look at
See,
that! Look at that reversal right here.
Wow.
Looking real good.
This is where the FOMO kicks in.
I don't want to say I gotta start trading my own calls.
Same.
We tapped literally the low of that candle was 228. That would have been I don't even know how many points that would have been. That'd have been a nice little point move there. All right, Nutty, we got to see something happen here, my friend.
We're waiting.
We're getting
Anything
this right
above
above the 300s now. This thing starts extending to the upside. We go. Right, we go through here. Just
We
gotta
go
go
up through the 310s. We got to rip. Then I want to see new
Nutty's
highs.
looking for a long above. I like that.
I want to see above the 340s,
314.
350s. Then
All right, got your order out there. How often do you put orders out? Do you normally put orders out, or do you normally just like mark it buy?
usually I will put a buy stop order like this. That's what I prefer. Now, if I'm chasing, I'll just get in, but that doesn't always work out so well.
True that. 314 for NUTTYBAR to get filled here.
Now I need to make sure I know what I'm.
Here we go.
Filled.
The moment of truth. He's filled. He's in. How far are you looking to go here?
I want the 340s.
All right. Everybody pray and hope that NUTTYBAR takes us to the moon. We're all in.
Stop right there below the two. This is where it's. There's so much volatility.
320. We got to push through 320. As long as we stay above 280s here.
But yeah, it's not looking.
Don't say that. It's
All
doing,
right,
it's
it's
fine.
gonna be
it's doing
great.
exactly what we thought it would do. It pushed above 300. Let it chop around here a little bit.
If it rejects here.
Got to have faith in the process, my friend.
That's right. My stop needs to be below the 280s. Below this.
We go through 320. We're looking primo.
Now I gotta remember how I need.
McPrimo.
I know what I did. I know what I did wrong
What'd
last
you do?
time. I didn't
What'd you do,
change
Nutty?
the size
What'd you
on
do?
my stop.
Whoa! That's exactly.
All right. So now we gotta just remember that next time.
There you go.
Okay, gotta get a push right here. Gotta get above the 320s and hold. Do not want to see a engulfing.
Are you copying right now?
I am copying. Yes.
Copying your Tradify accounts.
We are.
Wow, is it weird having the CEO of the company watching you live right now? He can
Kind of,
Now he
little
knows.
bit.
He's gonna cut you off.
Right in here.
He's gonna cut you off, Nutty.
Come on, film me.
All right. Where are you up? You're up $300. I like it. Don't. What do you got? How many contracts you got per account?
Right now, only 2 micros.
2 micros. Okay.
We starting off small.
Okay, I like it. I don't want to say I took
Usually-
profit. I don't want to say I already took profit, but
You did, Patrick. You did me dirty.
We should be back up right now.
Tradify is back up, by the way. Brett Simba said it's 100% off if you go there right now and use the code PW.
No.
JK.
Someone try.
Gotta try.
Bought 5 accounts right there.
When are you gonna have the option to buy? I want to be able to buy all my accounts in one click. Makes my life easier, you know. That way when I blow up, I can get right back in, baby.
It's like a fraud thing.
Okay.
I'm starting to get.
Because it's less likely.
NUTTYBAR,
fraud if you
don't-
buy 5 separately than one bundle.
You're in the trade, bro. It's looking good. Don't worry. We're taking out this high.
All right, hold my
340s.
hand, Patrick.
Hey, the worst thing you can do is when you get into a fucking trade, start like second guessing.
I
You're already in
know. I
it.
know.
You know what I mean? Like, fuck it. If it doesn't work out, it don't work out. But
That
like,
is. I definitely agree with that. When I just enter my trade.
the
let
worst
it
thing you
work.
can do when you fucking get into the trade is start going, oh my god, it's gonna pull back, stop me out. You know, it's like,
Yep.
then you're mentally just fucked.
I agree.
I just want to log out.
Don't do it.
We chilling. We're gonna break
Yeah,
out. We're gonna
it's
rip
doing
through the
everything you wanted it to
340s.
do. Look, it's pushing
Through
up. Hey,
the
you got 5
340s.
contracts left.
Okay, now I need to cancel this and
Yeah,
just
there
do
you go.
this. We're learning.
Let's get this pushed through the 340s here.
More patience.
We're
gonna
gonna make fucking Nutty Bar money today, baby.
I want to get like a 50-point rip to the up, like the to the 400s
I mean,
would
I
be
think
awesome.
we get through 340. You got a good.
We have
good
a chance. If we can get through the 340s.
Right now, the Dow has actually almost filled the gap.
no
The
way.
Dow is literally about to go in green on the day.
But it's up 15.
Wow, that's crazy.
Look at the Nasdaq right now. Nasdaq, what? We're up
We're-
We're only down 1.5%. Or no, that's the SPY. Yeah, 2.6%.
Yes.
Come on, Nutty. Right here, baby. Right here, Nutty
Go,
Bar.
baby.
Best trade ever taken by Nutty Bar live in the BDH.
Go, baby, go.
Come on.
Blood pressure medication
Come on, Nutty.
incoming.
Come on, Nutty.
Go, go, go.
Let's fucking go. Are you kidding me?
All right, I'm going to move my stop to break even. We're going to let her ride 400.
Candle.
Whoa! Whoa!
What did I
Let's
tell you?
go.
What did I tell you, Nutty Bar?
Let's go. I'm going to front run the 400s.
We're looking good. We got a pivot point to the upside there. Pivot point at the 386s.
There's
Guys,
money. There's
this
money
is literally
everywhere.
live on YouTube right now. We are live on YouTube doing this. Who else is doing it like this?
I got $100 bills stuck in
Who
my
else
screen.
is doing it like this? I fucking would love to know. Nobody. Not even Nutty Bar.
No. You guys are crazy.
God,
Let's
I
go,
fucking love
chat.
it.
Let's
I
go,
fucking
chat.
love the fact that this is how we do it at the BDH. We bring Nutty Bar in here and we're gonna turn him into a fucking Terminator of trading, baby. Terminator.
Let's go. Push through the 380s. Come on. I'm going to lock in. This is where we're going to lock in the 330, 340s. Really do want to see this go up through the...
Hey, you're killing it right now. You're killing it. This is the best trade I've ever seen out of you.
Yeah, but you must... I mean, I think...
What?
You might be right. I cannot verify.
I mean, see, right now you could move your stop right below 350 if you wanted to like guarantee that, you know.
Yeah, I want to... If this closes, then I'll move my stop up below
There we
this
go.
candle.
Here we go.
There we go.
We're going, Nutty. We're going.
All right, here we
Patrick
go.
Wieland's taking you to the fucking top,
Boom.
baby.
Let's go.
Patrick Wieland's taking you to the fucking top.
Let's go.
Hey, Brett? Is this okay? Because I told Nutty we're to buy and sell.
Oh, no. Denied. Collaboration not allowed.
What is that?
Oh, no.
Is that live?
Oh, it should be good now.
No, you're good. It's not live. It's not live. Oh my god.
Trying to be patient here. It's starting to get me a little... I don't like this.
That's the GP. That's
Well, look.
That would be my TP then. You got it up here too.
Yeah.
Yellow line.
There we go. Come on, baby. Push it.
Reason all your pivots are exactly the pivots. That's why.
I mean, it makes sense. That's why I love the pivots because it's on there. It's like the fibs are already on there.
Yeah, that's true. What's the target? Nutty?
386.
386. Oh, exactly.
This is where patience...
Patrick, what's the move?
This is where my... every bone in my body is telling me to take profit, but...
It's what
We're
happens
holding.
when you come to the BDH, baby.
We
It's what
holding.
happens, Nutty Bar. Look at the 1 minute chart right now. Zoom
1
in. Look
minute?
at the 1 minute. Look at the 1 minute. All right. See this little bull flag setting up here? We just need to get some continuation through
Yeah.
here.
That's... Yep. We might get stopped out here. If we do,
Hey,
it's okay.
It don't matter.
It's okay.
It don't matter. Where was your first take profit at?
It's still a good trade. First one was at the 335.
Yeah, so right now, it's like if you get stopped out at 47, you still killed it on these last contracts. It don't fucking matter.
That's right. We're playing with house money.
It's free money.
Free money.
It's fucking free.
It's everywhere.
It's
There's $100
literally
bills.
Fucking BDH, we got thousands of dollars
There's
laying on the goddamn
$100 bills
floor.
everywhere here. Might take some of those home.
I know the chat's gonna be like, take profit, it's gonna pull back. Guys, Nutty Bar is on it right now. Let the guy do his thing. If it pulls back, it pulls back.
Worst
Who the
case,
fuck cares?
the worst case scenario here is
cares?
we make money.
Look, it's about to push. Wants to get through the 80s
Come on,
here.
just go.
Let's do it.
Don't
right
make
here,
me.
NASDAQ.
Yeah,
What
let's
a
go.
fail. Hey, you gotta stop. Get your stop out of there. Get your fucking stop out.
Oh snap! Oh, thank.
God, don't celebrate while you gotta stop. Oh my God.
Rookie move. Rookie move.
God, I can't help this guy. Guy starts celebrating and he's gotta stop sitting there.
I mean, it was 50 points lower. Not quite. Let's go.
Let's fucking go, Nutty Bar. Hey, what did I tell you? I did tell you. I was like, Nutty Bar was like, I'm on a bit of a slump. And I said, hey, we're going to get you fucking pumped up, boy. We're going to get you so fucking jacked to the goddamn tits that when you go home, your wife's going to be like, ooh, Nutty Bar. Look at it. It's still going higher.
It is.
Hey,
390s.
the fucking chat is undefeated when it comes to being taken profit. They'd be like, Patrick, take the profit now. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. We're winning. We're absolutely winning. Hey.
Let's
Nutty Bar
go.
goes to BDH, first day, he's up. He's in the green. Top Step, suck it. Hey, Top Step's up $400. What are you up, Nutty?
I can't do math, but I don't. $600.
$600. He's up $600.
No, it's actually more.
It's more.
800.
800.
I need a calculator.
The baby dollhouse is printing fucking money today, boys.
Let's go.
Baby doll.
Baby doll house for
Baby
the win.
dolls. We're making so much goddamn money over here. I can't even count. It's a
There
problem
we
with being
go.
so rich.
Pushing
it's a
the
problem with
400s.
being so rich, Nutty Bar.
Pushing the 400s.
All right, so in my Apex accounts, we're up about $20,000, a little over $20,000 here today, live on YouTube. And the best part is, I didn't even get that big. Look at it, it's still going.
There she goes.
Hey, look at that. You feel good?
Oh, you feel great. Feel
good?
great.
Oh, damn. Nutty Bar's camera got too hot.
Oh no, not
It
again.
got too hot.
Not
No,
again.
it literally said it got too hot.
That's what it said.
No, it literally said Nutty Bar's hot. Yeah, try it.
Okay, getting a pullback here.
Nutty Bar, literally,
Off
his
that
camera said too
400.
hot.
Big move. 30 points.
3K for Brett Simba. Everybody's making money. Everybody's making money.
I'm short at 400 even.
Nice trade.
A bunch of little.
We got 1,500. 1,500 views here are likes. Come on, let's get it.
Let's go. Let's get it to 2,000 likes, guys.
2,000 likes for Nutty Bar getting profitable today. We're going to make this guy the fucking beast of YouTube. I'm going to retire because I made my protege up right here. Nutty, we're going to move you from Ohio, move you into my basement.
I've been in worse places.
We don't even have basements in Florida.
Hey, I trade from my closet. My standards
All right,
are pretty low.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. It's so weird that they do that.
Those little cameras, they do a lot.
Well, the good thing is now, hey, you're green on the day. What would you normally do? Like if you were at home trading right now, would you continue trading? Would you go play golf? I know you're big into mowing the grass.
Oh, don't get me
This guy
started.
will get down on some grass, if you know what I mean.
I should have brought pictures of
push-
my.
Pushing that pee right through the grass.
Should have brought some pictures of my lawn just to reminisce.
Well, what about the snow right now? Does it kill the grass? Do you have you have to winterproof your grass, right?
Not really.
No?
It usually by April, May, it'll come right back to life.
Does it turn brown?
Yeah, it will turn brown.
But then it just sprouts back.
It just
you have a
comes
special
right
kind of
back.
grass, like an Arctic
yeah, it's
grass,
like
green
I
grass.
don't even know what it's called, but it's for
You
the
don't
winter.
know what kind of grass you got?
It's green. It's green. It grows. That's all I need to know.
I was impressed by your hitch you had. That was a big old ball on your hitch.
The first thing Patrick said is, "What kind of hitch you got?"
You got a nice
on my
hitch you got
truck.
there, boy.
It
I
is
gotta
a
always
nice
check
hitch.
out, because if you see someone driving a truck, you gotta look and be like, they even got a hitch on that thing.
Yep.
Because some people, they be buying trucks, they don't even ever even pulling nothing. Nutty Bar's got a fucking pontoon boat. He's out there fucking just do, making it rain in Ohio. What lake do you go out on? Lake Ohio?
So we have a cute little lake.
An Amish lake?
It's called Atwood.
Ooh.
Atwood Lake.
Do the Amish have boats?
Oh yeah.
Or are they road? Horse powered?
Yes.
Or like motors?
Motors.
You got motors on them.
Oh, yeah.
But old motors, no electronics.
I mean, I don't think so. I guess it's been a while since I was Amish, so I can't. Maybe I shouldn't vouch for it, but
You're
yeah.
giving the Amish a bad name.
yeah, I don't want the Amish mafia coming after me.
I think they might already because you're making too much fucking money. They're gonna come and be like, hey, you can't be making all this money and not paying your dues, boy. That's why you left the Amish, because they were trying to get that YouTube money.
Cannot confirm that.
NUTTYBAR is a good
Not-
guy. No foul language. Does my language offend you, Nutty?
No, you're fine. I will. It's your show,
Don't
man.
worry. Later on, I'll pray to somebody and it'll all be okay. I'll make it good again. Please forgive me.
Man, this pullback.
I mean, I don't want to say you took profit at the top, but you took profit at pretty much the fucking top of this move, my friend.
This is where I probably struggle. Like, my biggest downfall right now is it seems lately like around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, the market just sort of rolls over and everything just starts selling
Well, you know,
off.
there's like the theory of the 10 o'clock reversal.
Maybe.
Let's look. What happened at 10 o'clock today? Ooh, a little bit of a
10
reversal.
o'clock,
We pulled
definitely-
back 21, pulled back
Yep.
right into the VWAP there. 21 EMA, that pivot point there, 21,060.
Right here would be another setup for me. I didn't take it. The 390s
Ooh.
entry.
Ooh.
I
NUTTYBAR
was-
dropping the hot fire. Look at that boner
To-
candle. This guy. You know you're on the 1 minute chart, by the way.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Thank you.
Yeah, I saved you. I can't save you all the time, Nutty.
Hey, I need it. I
Hey,
need
if you
help.
want, we could, have your screen just pulled up on my screen all the time when you're trading live, and I'll just, I can actually go into your computer and put a trade on right now. You wouldn't even be able to do anything.
Oh dear.
I could literally press
Lord
the button.
help
I
us.
could do it. I can press the fucking button.
Oh, I see. You are in my
I
screen.
can press the button. Watch me.
No. That would be too funny.
I'm sharing his screen actually.
Leave it on his Twitter. Twitter.
Yep.
What I sent you? Yeah.
Brett, you sent me a DM, bro?
So save this one first.
Okay.
Just click it and right click, and then right click it. Yeah. And then the other one. Right click it.
Brett, I can't believe you sent me all these photos and DMs right now, bro.
Patrick. Market.
Yeah. Everyone said that you're. How long for Tradify accounts to active?
It's a Tradevate thing. It's not us. So when it's the same thing at any firm. When you have an influx, all within like a 5-minute or 10-minute period, you get timed out.
I don't know. They're upset. I can't be responsible for this, Brett.
It's everywhere.
I cannot be responsible for this. NUTTYBAR is still going higher.
I know. But this is like we talked a little bit about it earlier. Once you're green, you're like, well, should I just
know, we
walk away?
yeah.
Do you continue to take your
Your
setups?
biggest loss days always come from the grind, right? Just the
Right.
fucking sitting there grinding them out. What's like an average good day for you?
I always like if I have like 400 to 500 is really good day.
Because you're
But-
copy trading, obviously.
Right, copy trading
Yeah.
across
Fuck, you make
sometimes.
$400 times 20 accounts.
20.
You're chilling.
Right now, actually, I just got funded. Actually, we should celebration. I just got funded with Take Profit
Ooh,
Trader.
they're actually pretty hard to get funded with.
And man, they are. I don't know if you have any prop firm that you're just cursed with, but Take Profit Trader has been my arch
Your kryptonite?
nemesis, and it just seems everything always goes bad. So happy to be funded with them. 20 Apex accounts currently, so get $200 a day. It adds up real quick.
Well,
Wait, don't show you. All right.
don't show it.
No, not yet.
Okay, what do I do?
Go to your OBS. Just add.
Yeah.
And then
The image.
Image, yeah.
Or media.
No, image first. And then don't make it.
Oh.
Don't make it visible first. Click plus.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Yeah. Oh, it's not here.
No.
Oh, okay, you can do the first one. Yeah. Do the
This one?
Where's the first one?
Yeah. I think it's on my desktop, maybe.
Pictures.
I can't work in these conditions.
Downloads.
Yeah, no,
Oh,
it's.
what the fuck is a JP large file?
I don't know.
Oh, you guys in
Wait, go to-
chat.
go to-
You guys in chat are too
Can I just
funny.
pull like
Right
this?
click, save, type right here.
All files.
Yeah.
Put it.
Or down. Wait, type right at the end of this. Dot JPEG. Dot JPG. Yeah. Not sure. There we go. Alright.
Oh, it's working.
Alright. It's right there. Yep.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh God.
All right. So
Tell us what we got here.
what we got here is the newest thing coming this week to Tradeify. So everyone will be able to share every one of their trades directly from the journal. Should be real time by the end of the week, but definitely at the end of the day, you'll be able to share exactly the trade you took, how much you made, the entry, the exit. It's verified, it's live, how many contracts, the date, etc. There's going to be all different color themes, and then we got the real banger, the next one here. Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh!
Live. All over.
I feel like who's the guy? Thanos.
Yep. Thanos, there you go.
I'm Thanos.
Yeah.
Look at that thing. It's glowing.
So every trade, you'll be able to share every widget also. So you can show your trade calendar, you can show your win rate, you can show everything. It'll be customized in its
When-
own graphic.
When you lose money,
Wasn't this
does
week?
it have like a red
Yeah.
glow to it?
Yeah, so these will be a little, you can have it red.
Can I share this on Twitter?
Top
Top secret? I mean, we're sharing it on the live stream
yeah,
right
you
now.
can post it. Just you can post it there. Go ahead.
All right. Here we go.
This week.
I like it. Look at that.
time
We got
out.
the CEO of Tradeify here in the house, giving us sneak peeks, giving us some good. I think he's up right now on the day. You're up on the day. Everyone's making some money live in the BDH right now. We got money
Nice.
everywhere.
One for you.
We're at 1,500 likes.
Nah,
I
you're
guess
fine.
that means
But that's
we
cool.
gotta
It's
put
gonna be sick here. I'll show you.
put the
That's awesome.
Victoria back over here for a minute.
But yeah, so
5 minutes, Victoria.
I have to send
5 minutes.
two.
I gotta go use the restroom for a second. I'm gonna use the restroom. We'll let Victoria break it down. What are we looking at? Pivot points, fun, action. Wait, that's not a pivot point right there. Brett put a
Hi,
fucking level on
everybody.
my chart. Oh, that was a pivot point the whole time.
Oh, I was getting such FOMO this morning. I wasn't trading. I was working on other things. But
Oh,
that
nice.
How
was
do you
That'll
how
be
do you
cool.
go to the BDH and not trade?
There
Oh,
was
you
some
can
wild,
choose the color
wild
and
moves
stuff?
You
this
can choose
morning.
the lightning
Well, I don't know. I'm not
effect.
set up over there on that computer, so I had I was trying to set it up, and I was watching the move, and then I was like, ah, shoot, I missed it. Hi guys, everybody make some money on that? I hope everybody did. Woo! It's a popping off day today. Doesn't feel like a Monday at all. It's a good start to the week. I am happy. Good things are happening. I don't know. What do you guys want to talk about? Who's still in a trade right now? Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love sitting over here. It's just so much to look at. This screen here, the curved screen, is insane. Alrighty. All right, come on, ask me a question. I don't really have much to say off the top of my head. Yeah, chat is wild today. Lots of viewers today. I'm impressed. Everybody came to see NUTTYBAR and Brett Simba in the house. And maybe me. Tell me if you came here to see me this morning. All right. Is the day done for you guys now? Trading's over. Do I do Legree? I have tried Legree. I love Legree. I think it's so hard, but it's an amazing workout. The day is great. Hello. Oh, done up $4,400. Congratulations, Chris Morgan. That's a fantastic start to the week. Wow. Do we have to? Yeah, so you guys have to pay extra for this. I don't know how to do that. Send me money or send Patrick money. I'll get him to pay me out. Can you even do that on here? Don't actually do that. Please don't. I'm just kidding. Am I pregnant? No, why would I be pregnant?
Oh God, don't read that in the chat. There's certain things that you read in the chat that you don't read in the chat. You wouldn't be pregnant.
All right. See, now I'm off.
Yeah, chat's gone. Chat's off. Who would ask that? Oh God. All right, I'm gonna put Brett back over here and give him some time he can answer some questions about Tradeify and all of that fun stuff. And yeah, I think your trade That level worked out beautifully. You put that level in the chart, right? Yeah, you put your fucking fibs. I thought that was my pivot point. That's funny. This little
Said the
pivot, this
GP.
little thingy.
The GP, baby. Yeah.
You took my pivot points off?
Yeah, I took them off, yeah.
You know you can just hide them.
I
He fucking destroyed my charts.
Yeah,
Here,
that's my bad.
talk about it. What you got?
Well, did you guys like the little GIF? GIF? What is it? GIF or GIF? What's the vote in here? Is it GIF or GIF? GIF? GIF?
You're the guy that made it.
Is it GIF, guys? Anyway, hope you guys like that. That'll be coming out either Wednesday, I think, or Friday. So you'll be able to share all of your trades directly from the journal. You'll be able to share widgets. You'll be able to share your trade calendar. You'll be able to share so many things that you guys are, sound like Trump, so many things. We're going to do so much. We're going to be better than ever. Let's see. What are you guys asking? So let me do a little Q&A. Ask me anything. I'm going to start reading now. How long does today's deal last? So it should be till tomorrow. Where does the fib start? I'll show you the fib in a second. Discount on growth is still 50% off on growth, regular price. It's not 50% off straight to funded. What is $35 advanced accounts? You guys got me on rapid fire right now. Does Tradeify allow trading minus 5%? Yes, so we don't have any rule on that right now. What time tomorrow? Midnight? How do you copy Tradeify accounts? You go to the group trade feature. Oh, he's talking over there. Is the trailing drawdown, is it a live drawdown? Yes, on the advanced accounts, it is trailing. Is there a delay on the journal? Yes, but it should be real time by next week. As of right now, it updates at the end of the day. I think we're going to have a refresh button soon. Can you fix the calendar on mobile? We will try. Does the 50% have an activation fee? Advanced accounts do. Do you have a schlong? I sure hope so. How long will the $99 fee last? I think next Friday. Do a one-time code on reset straight to funded. You cannot reset straight to fundeds. When will you connect with Quant Tower? Maybe next month. Can you take a chance on me and give me a straight to funded? No. Maybe. Probably not. Not right now. When should I go long? I don't know. Let me see if I can log in here. Maybe it'll take some live trades. Hold on here. Hold on here. Hold on here, guys. What is my password? What is my password? Hang on. Hang on here, chat. Can I trade from Europe? Sure. Reset sale. Resets are $35. We need Rhythmic. No, we're never doing Rhythmic. I'm locked out of Trade Evade. Hold on here. Oh, there we go. We're in. We're live. Let's see. Here we go. Is this on here? Am I on here perfectly? I think so. Yeah, I did a bunch. Ignore that. I went a little bit crazy there in that GP zone right there, but might be a nice little long here. We'll see. You know, I'll put two cons on here. Maybe average down into the 30s or so. Well, we'll leave two on there. This is a 25K account that I loaded today, so we're up about 2,500, down 500 there. So we'll let this fluctuate a little bit. I'll check in on that around the 35 or so range. Let me see. Let me actually put an ad down here. 38.50 or so. Anyway, I'll read the chat while you guys are doing it. You are showing your keystrokes. You should see everything. Yeah, you should see everything. Okay. Watch out for hackers. I don't know. You can trade from Croatia. It's in Europe. Yep. Get the camera off the keyboard. What? Oh, shit. I don't think anyone can see that. That would be crazy. You think anyone can see the keyboard?
You can see it slightly.
Like what I was typing?
See-through. Oh, with your password? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
They can't even see-through.
That would be fucked. No way. I typed it in wrong like 4 times, so there's no shot that you guys are gonna get it. Who do you use for a payout? We use Rise. We also have Plane coming. It's called Plane. So are resets really 35 right now? Yes, they are. Resets on advanced accounts only. Will you have Project X? Yes, we should have next month. As a CEO, how many hours of sleep do you get on average? Not much. Also have a 15-month-old crazy boy. And he's, I'm adding 2 contracts here. I'm going to see if we can get a little bit of a Momo bounce back into the 60s. I still think it might dip down to 38 or so, so I'll leave that ad there. Again, this is a 25K account. Not too worried about giving away some here. Oh, see if it taps me in at that 38. Ooh, come on. Tap me in, 38. All right. So I want to see a bounce right here at this level here. This 30 to 38 or so level on NQ. We are in 6 here. I'm going to take one off at break even and let those 4 ride. Hopefully we hit right. Come on, motherfuckers. Oh, man. There we go. All right, cool. So now we bounce in there. So I told you guys I would add into that 38 or so level. Beautiful. What? Yeah, you're live.
NUTTYBAR's fucking code.
What? Why? Nobody said it. It's PW.
PW code only.
PW. We're up 750.
Let's go.
700, 800. I told you guys that 38 level. Look right here. That previous resistance, right? Now turned support. How do I redeem my 50K S2F I won? Email, we'll reach out to you. iGamerTV. You know what? We'll reach out to you, buddy. I got it there. I just was in 6th. That's, oh, we're up 2K. We're taking another 2 off here. I told you guys that fucking 38. Look at that bottom tick.
Oh! Oh!
Beautiful.
Oh!
Who took, chat, can we get some dubs in the chat? Let's get some dubs in the chat. Smash this up to 1750 likes, and I'll do a couple giveaways.
Damn.
200 more likes. We'll do some giveaways. Smash that like button. I'll give free accounts. Free accounts. Free accounts.
He gonna make it dance.
We're still pumping. We're up 4,500 on the day. Top step up only.
Sir, they're short.
They're short.
This is. Oh, it's gonna hit.
Oh
gonna hit.
man, they are short.
Hit right now.
Oh, we faded them hard.
The 400s. New high of day coming.
Let's see.
Oh God.
Guys, do you like the? Do you guys like the graphic or what? I'm putting them back up real quick. Let me know what you guys think.
God.
I'll show you guys real quick what Pat did here.
Oh, no.
Boom. What do we think, guys? Are we liking this? Are we liking the verify? Oh, you guys can't even see. That's why. Let me make this a little smaller. There you go. You can see how much I'm up now.
Oh God.
There we go. 3,500, guys. There you go. We liking it? Different colors. We got all different things going on here at Tradeify. We're taking over the game, guys. We're listening to what you guys have to say. We want you guys to succeed. We want you to have fun doing it, right? Trading's, you got to be a robot. You have to be a robot. You have to be super disciplined to be good at trading. So, you know, the way that you can do that is lock in, right? Lock the fuck into the charts. At the end of the day, you know, have some fun. You can post some cool stats like this. We got this. We have the trade calendar. We have your win-loss rate. We have your score. We have your trade streak, etc., etc. Hold on, I wasn't watching this trade. We just gave back a lot of profit. I'm gonna take another ad, see if we pump here again, and I'll put the stop down here, 35. I think I just gave away almost all that when I was talking to you guys. So, but if you took profit on that, congrats. Anyway, how often can you take payouts? Yeah, every 10 days with us. Alpine programmer needs a raise. I know. We're hitting API limits over there right now. Does today's discount apply to the 150K account or just 50? It works on all of them. All of them. Why is our price different? What price? What do you mean? Can you reduce the consistency? No. Guys, let's talk about. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention.
No, I know.
Fucking.
No, I was telling him don't get long.
Oh. I'm still thinking about it.
Save NUTTYBAR.
Let me see here. There's a fib down here at 300 or so. Fucking chat made me lose 2K here. All right. Can you reduce the... Anyway, somebody said consistency rule. Guys, if you're skipping the eval, if you don't have to pay for an eval and you're going straight to funded, sim funded, you're basically paying for drawdown, right? So you're essentially paying $300, $400, right? $500 to get access to $2,000, $5,000, right? $7,500, whatever the case may be, of drawdown, right? So you're able to go right into there, right? That's literally how it works. So because of that, there has to be...
10 days, I got my payout.
Yeah, 10 days.
And then the crazy part is like you can pretty much flip what 5 days of the 10.
Yeah, if you do it exact, it's tough. It's tough. But if you do the perfect consistency, it's 20.
I mean, worst come to worst, you can maybe do it 7 days and then flip for 3.
Yep.
So you're not going to be penalized for flipping, which is nice.
No, exactly. We allow flipping. The only rule that we have in correlation to flipping is, I think, 30% of your profit or more has to come from trades held longer than 5 seconds. Don't quote me on that. I got to check. I haven't looked at that one in a while. It's something like that. But, don't hyper scalp. And the reason is because we want to be able to basically move you guys live, be able to take trades and copy you as well, right? So we're hitting that 50% retrace here. Thinking about putting on some size here.
The trend is your friend.
Want to wait till we get to that 300 level. I'm going to do a little 302.50.
Not bad.
302.50 or so here. We'll see.
I would literally kill myself if I was up $50 ever. Like ever. No, ever.
Shit, it's already 11.
It'd be worth it. I gotta make money.
Time's going quick here at the BDH.
Like a time warp.
Look at these
You're making all
guys.
this money. There's just money all over the place.
Did you post that?
Not yet.
That yeah.
Gonna wait.
Oh, yeah.
We're live, Yeah. That's a pretty cool payout certificate. What Lambo's
Whew,
that?
you gotta get a license. Do you have a custom plate on any of your?
I did. I ordered one for this one, GT3, PW GT3, with the the black and yellow, the flag, whatever you call it, the "Don't Tread on Me" flag, license plate.
I don't even know if you should say stuff like that online, but
I don't give a fuck. GT3 PW. That's my license plate number. Go fuck yourselves.
I just reserved a long NQ.
Ooh, that's nice.
You like that one?
PW NQ might be a good one.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Let's see if we hit that 302.50. Come on, tap me in, baby. Tap me in down here. Right above that GP. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Oh.
All right, beautiful, beautiful. We want to see a sweep up. We'll take 2 off real quick at 310.
Oh, beautiful execution. Beautiful.
And then I want to see a pump up to the 30s,
Woo!
potentially.
Where's your stop?
That's an interesting thing.
YOLO. People always ask where my stop is. I said, sir, if I gotta worry about my stop, then I'm just not doing it right.
I don't know if we have any. What time is it? 11? Do we have any news or anything today? I don't think so.
On the ground.
I want to see that move up to the 30s. Here we go, 20s. Here we go, 20. 20 points.
Don't put any more trades.
20 points right there. I want to see a move to. I'll take another one at 25, and we'll let the last 2 ride. Anybody take those? Who took those, guys? Come on. What other prop firm owner is taking trades live? I know Patrick's not.
Sir, what are you talking about? He lost $90,000 3 times.
He is. And listen, listen. No beef with Mike. I'm just joshing.
It's the BDH. It makes you.
It's the BDH. It makes you turn into a little bit of a
cock.
What are they called? Anti-hero villain. Give me that move up to the 30s. Come on. Don't dip back down here. Put the stop here at just put it at 04 and then we'll call it a day there. If that hits. All right, last time. Rapid fire questions for 3 minutes. Rapid fire. I'm reading the chat now. 3 minutes, guys. Go, go, go. Shoot them out. Shoot them out. Can you pass the challenges in 1 day? Yes, you can. You can do so. Can you do at least 30 to 40% off? It is 30% off on straight to funded right now. How many advanced accounts can we have? You can have as many. We got stopped out there, so whatever. Made a couple $100 or so. Uh-oh. Dakota's taking a payout.
$300,000.
Let's see what he's doing.
Live account.
What do you think he's doing here?
He's gonna do a payout.
Yeah, how much?
From his live account. It's all live money. I thought his balance was like 5. Oh, I guess it's not 500.
$22.
Oh god.
He's withdrawing that.
He's gonna take out 200,000. That's all. I mean, that's cool, but I mean, you know.
Watch, it's like,
Oh,
you can't.
These fucking morons! These fucking morons!
Yes. Doesn't seem to be working.
I guess it's not real money.
All right, go. One thing that makes you better than MFFU, they got a milestone plan. You have to
Wow,
make.
Look at them. They're like deer in headlight right now. Look at them.
You got to make 9,000 every time there. Here, you don't have to. Our prices are also cheaper. We come with a free journal for everyone who has an account.
If I get put into a live account, what's my payout rules?
Daily. You can take one a day.
There's no max? Like if
No.
I make $1 million in one day, you won't max me out?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Looks like Dakota just got maxed out.
Well, not here. Not here. You can, and a live account, you can withdraw daily. Profits above your starting. A little bit of a different withdrawal rule for those before. Yeah. You want to hop back in? All right, guys. Hey, thanks for having me on.
No, you're still
I'm probably.
on.
Oh.
Let's go sit over there and we can talk
Oh,
together.
yeah.
So they hear me.
Hold on, man. I don't want you.
Oh yeah, I won't trade your money.
I don't want you full porting on me here.
Go trade money bars again.
I know you might full port on me.
I actually thought about it on your computer over there. I almost did.
I'm in 5 there. All of a sudden it turns to 50.
I saw. I was like, just buy. All right, so we got NUTTYBAR. He just left, and we still have his account up. No, he's coming back. He had to go get his golf stuff. We're going to play golf. NUTTYBAR wants to beat me at golf, supposedly. I don't think he will, but we'll see. All right, so should we take some more trades in NUTTYBAR's account? I think so. Just put it in there. Hey, Rex Godspeed said he got 12,000 in payouts from Tradeify this month. That's pretty nice. That's a good month right there. Hop back over there.
I got about 10 minutes now.
All right, 10 minutes. You got to go. This guy's a busy man. Top CEO of top.
We've been going at it already 2.5 hours almost.
This is true. This is true.
What time do you usually hop off?
Right around 11. I normally go Chipotle. Yeah.
Maybe hop on power hour later. You do, right?
Yeah. It could be a good one. What do you normally do? You just kind of I mean, you're probably on the computer all day now that you're top dog CEO. You know.
Yeah, it's just meetings all day. I mean, I got a couple things. So
Fuck.
Is my mic on?
Oh, no, you're on now.
All right.
You know, I told my assistant, I was like, listen, my goal in life is to have no meetings.
Yeah.
That's where I want to get to.
The first year of building any business, you've built,
I built a
build a
BDH.
brand. That shit's
Yeah.
even
Built the BDH,
more work,
baby.
years, right? But it's just a lot of meetings, planning, making sure things go smooth.
I just feel like a lot of the fucking meetings are a waste of time.
Yeah, definitely not here. They're definitely a great use of time, but they got to be effective. There's definitely ones that can be a waste if you don't take them right. So my mic is off. Wait.
No, your mic's on now.
My mic is off. Wait.
No, your mic's on now. Can you post a Tradeify link? Yeah, we can. What
It's in the
It's in the top. Oh, there's no link there. Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh
We
no.
got
You don't need the
nothing in
link.
the description.
They don't need the link, right? They just need to go
You gotta
to.
throw us in your description.
I know. I had it there the other day actually.
You gotta see. Oh,
It's my first time. Oh no.
The default YouTube description's
no.
taken
no,
over
it's
without
my first
us.
time. Oh no.
Oh man.
Oh no. Oh no.
Guys, some dubs in the chat if you think Tradeify should be on top of the description list. I don't know. I don't know. They got $35
$35 right now? What do you
accounts
got?
right
$35
now with advanced accounts. $35. I don't know. I heard that's better than a 4-letter firm. Anyway,
Oh, man. $35. How long is that gonna last?
that'll last till tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, we're dumping a bit here. I want to maybe take another long. I'm gonna log out.
Another
of nutty.
long?
I'm gonna log out of nutty here.
Oh.
It's a little too nutty for me.
Oh yeah. I think he had it on both somehow. You can just close probably one of those.
Okay. It's showing this whole screen, right? Or
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
can?
Not
All
right now though.
Yeah, just wait a second.
There you go.
It's gonna be.
All right. NASDAQ right now pulling back here into that 21, into the VWAP again. Now, pivot point there, 267. Like I was telling NUTTYBAR earlier, the problem is we're still very much, in this kind of bearish momentum to the downside. Big sell-off overnight. Nothing wrong with just kind of waiting, being patient here at this level. We had a real real beautiful move to the upside out of the open. We went straight up. We broke out and pushed up to 320. We pulled back into the VWAP there. Another nice little long off the VWAP for a push to the upside. And nothing, nothing too crazy right here. We had the 15-minute opening range as well. So let's see how that kind of played out in terms of the opening range break. And you can kind of see we kind of like did it. And this was funny because I think we talked about this exactly kind of playing out here, pulling back into that 230 level. I talked about this on the little podcast thing that we did last week with Ike. You know, the market loves to kind of do these fake outs. So normally I would say, like, if you're looking for a continuation move higher, wait for that fake out. Wait for that, like, that dip. Let the people get stopped out. Everybody that bought high, let them get stopped out and then get that move up. So that's kind of how it played out right there, pulling back there into the VWAP right now. So on the day right now, we're up about 22,000 plus 500 in the Tradeify accounts for about what, $25,000 today, and liking that look. So Brett, what are you looking at right now?
Yeah, you can pull it up.
I got you looking. You ready?
Yeah,
we're going
you're
live
good.
with your screen in 1, 2, 3.
Still fixing a couple candles, but all right, we're good.
okay.
We're good. No, we're good. We're good now. Yeah, so we're up. Let me move all this so you
Yeah,
can
I can
see.
move you over as well, though. Maybe. Let me try to do that. I'm gonna move you over. Now you can see your candles.
All right, I'm trying to figure out. So we got my P&L. Let me move it over here, down here. Oh, that didn't help.
Market dipping.
Positions.
It's funny because NUTTYBAR was thinking about getting long earlier, and I was like, "Hold on, little buddy. Hold on, little buddy."
See if that worked. Did that work? Let's see. I don't know. Maybe not. No. Hold on. I'm trying to
It's
show
just hard
everyone
because
everything.
the way the thing's set up.
It's all right. It's all right. You can. Should
You
be
see your
good
P&L there. You got
Yeah.
3,200.
Yeah. Lost a little on MNQ. Anyway. All right. There we go. So
All
we
right.
got everything up. You can show it all. It's all right.
I know it's just like hard to like frame it right.
Ah, here. I know what to do. There you go.
Now we're good.
There you go. Just show the right side. Show the right in the
currently
chart a little
looking
bit.
at-
There we go. All
At
right, cool.
Brett's screen here.
There we go. There we go. So you can see I'm up about 2,500 or yeah, something like that. Lost a little bit, but
Somebody
on
asked, the
MNQ.
Tradeify growth account is $35 with the PW code.
no, advanced accounts.
Advanced accounts.
Advanced accounts, guys. Advanced accounts. Growth accounts are 50% off though with PW, so still get a very good deal on those. I do like this 2144 level. Again, this is a potential double bottom on the 5 minute. I want to see how it reacts here. Might take a stab at one contract, add in if it gets down to those 40s.
You're long.
So I'll
right
take
now.
a stab at one. Yeah, so I'm long here. What's the best way to show this? Let's see. Select columns. Net price. Yeah, that's it. That should be it. All right.
He's in.
Let me
If you
change-
move your candles closer to the side, I can make it a little bigger.
Hold on.
I don't know why you people be trading so far away from the price.
You like this?
Yeah, there you go. Now I can.
I don't
make
like.
it
See,
bigger.
like I like to. I don't know. I like it in the middle. That's why.
That's so weird. Nutty Bar said the same
you
thing.
You trade like this?
No, I trade with like I want my candles right next to the price.
I don't know. I guess. Yeah, I don't know.
I
don't
saw
know
you
why.
do that the other day too, and I was wondering, I was like, why does he trade so far away from the price on the right?
The website cannot handle the volume of people buying. So yeah, so Tradeivate thing happens, and then we have to throttle the site a little bit. Basically, Tradeivate. I mean, you guys are. This is a huge sale for us. So there's probably. I got a text before. There's an order coming in every 2 seconds right now.
I
Maybe.
mean, it's the PW Army, baby.
Yeah. So
The biggest, the largest. What do you expect?
what do you expect? But this is actually I think our biggest
It's like
sale.
giving out crack to crackheads.
It's our biggest sale on advanced accounts, I think, ever. We did one $15 for Christmas, something like that. That was crazy.
This is the biggest sale ever.
For advanced, yes.
I need to put this on Twitter right now, I guess.
The biggest, the largest.
The biggest, the loudest. So just use the code
Matting in
PW
here. Yep.
for $35.
$35 advanced accounts. I think we're cheaper than Apex right now. I don't
Oh,
want to
shit.
say anything,
Oh
but
shit!
you don't have to worry about any rules to get a payout either. Well, crazy rules. Can you explain the 20% consistency? Yeah, you just can't. Your total profit cannot be more than 20, or your biggest day cannot be more than 20% of your total profit. So just take your biggest day, multiply it by 5. That's what you get. That's the easiest way to do it.
Well, see, we talked about that earlier. I was questioning that. So now that I've taken my first payout, now my kind of like profit target changes, right? So now originally it was 9,000 for the straight to funded, and now it's 4,500.
Right. So I'll pull that up real quick just to show everyone. The profit targets go down each time on the straight to sim funded. So pull it up here for everybody real quick.
Yeah, it's kind of nice, to be honest.
So if you see here, I don't know if this is showing. Am I good?
Yeah, we see it.
Yeah. All right, cool. So you can see here that the goals go down as you get to the second and third on payout targets, because we don't want you to have to make 9,000 every time to take a 3K payout like some firms. We won't say the other ones out there that do these plans.
What are you talking about?
Anyway, you don't have to do that. So, yeah, it goes down each time. And the cool thing about this, I was just telling PW before, when you add up all this, he's a little bit over, he's a decent amount over that 9,000 already. But if you did this exactly and you hit these numbers exactly, you're actually left with 7,500 in your account after the third payout, right? So what you're looking at there then is potentially getting that 7,500 moved to live. It's actually up to 15,000 that you can get moved live, but that leaves you with that half of the amount. So it's a good way to look for those goals with the idea of, hey, I'm going to move to live with 7,500 per account, and that it's not 7,500 each across the board. This will be a little different at the 100K, 50K, etc. But max you can move to live with is that 10% of the balance there. So our goal is to move traders live fairly quickly, get you guys consistent. And I mean, hey, talk about did the consistency rule you think help you? You like it? I mean,
yeah. See, I was just actually going to bring that up about the consistency rule. Well, do you feel like, do you get a lot of gripe from traders? Do you get traders who love it? Do you get people who hate it? Like,
the only ones who hate it don't get paid.
Ooh, okay.
That's mostly it.
Yeah.
That's mostly it. Everyone else is, the average payout across all prop firms is right around $2,000.
Yeah.
That's the average payout someone will take. I think it's like 18 something.
That's my favorite argument too for so many traders, right? Is the fact of like, they will bitch and complain about something stupid, with the payouts, and it's like, you never even got a payout. They're like, well, but if I did, I don't want to do. Like, yeah, exactly. Like, focus on getting the payout before you start critiquing the rules, bro.
It's like the haters talk the loudest sometimes, right? But or the ones who don't even get paid, like you said. So, it's a bit crazy when you get people who've never gotten paid complaining about rules and different things. Like, go to a firm you like. Look, by all means, there's plenty of firms out there. There's enough fish in the sea for every firm, to survive, as long as they're, doing right by their traders, have a good product, have good offerings, right? So we already have a great product. We're just giving you, oh, fuck, what happened? I'm out.
Yeah, no, you're back.
Oh, I'm back.
That's weird. The computer went down or what?
Just black screened a second. Sorry.
Oh, okay. You're still in the green. Don't worry.
Yeah. What the fuck was I saying? Oh, anyway, we got the tools. So, we got the journal coming. We got some really cool tools for you guys to share your stats on socials. Those might be coming with some affiliate codes even on them. So, if you start seeing a little QR code on those images that he's sharing, you better scan that, head right to that link, right?
There you
go.
go.
Yeah, we got some cool stuff in the works.
You're long right now you're long from the 69s.
Yeah.
What's funny, your rats. Did you take anything into consideration the fact that was right at the VWAP or no?
No. So I just looked at this this is that bear flag. Yep. So again, this is before we were chopping around. I mean, it's only 10 minutes, 15 minutes here, but if you were on, I think, a smaller time frame, it was chopping around here a while. This is when you and Nutty were saying, hey, is it going to break out the 260s or something like that, right? This is that bear flag from the Europe Open. I know if you were up at 3 a.m., you would have fucking crushed this.
Ooh,
right here. Look at that short, huh?
It hurts.
Yeah, so I mean, but again, those levels come into play. I probably should have taken some profit right there while I was talking. It was almost 30 points up. Anyway, these levels come into play, right? When you break up above it, it becomes a support. So we dip down a little bit. We're dip down again. We're holding a little bit higher than before. So I like the long. I should have taken one off right there, but again, I'm talking and I probably screwed myself a
I
bit.
saw on Twitter, Iron Man Trading posting some very interesting ICT stuff, I guess. He said, you will not believe what's going on in ICT's private charter group for the past couple weeks. Woo! I always love me some fun, you know, some fun here. Can't wait to watch that later.
Let me see something here. Price levels.
Someone said 10 days is too long. How do you feel about that? As a trader yourself, do you
If
feel
you're
like 10 days?
if you're upset about waiting 10 days, like you probably just deserve to go to the casino a little bit, right? You want that instant. It's about trading should be about getting away from that instant gratification, and that's why a lot of people fail because they want that instant gratification, right?
Well, so let's say for example, if I trade for an entire month with 5 accounts and I get 2 payouts, that's let's say that's $30,000.
Yeah, 30,000. I mean, I think 30K a month, an average person, is pretty fucking good.
I don't know, Brett. I think it's bullshit. I don't
Relax
like it.
here. I don't know about PW money over here, but
It's not enough. We got $30,000 just laying on the floor right
even
now.
even on the side, even if you have one, even if you have 1 account, 2 account, right? You don't have to trade all day. I mean, this is proof. We finished in like what 2 hours? I mean, we could have been done probably an hour and a half, right? You can just trade an hour, 2 hours a day. It does not need to be your main income, right? It can just be that side income too. Nobody should ever have trading as their sole income.
What do you
put your
think
back
about
against the
people
wall.
that I'm sure you get this question all the time. People are like, "Man, I'm going to quit my job and just start trading." What would you say to that person?
Yeah, I would never do that. I would never do that. So I did that only when I had. I did it when I was.
Yeah, what was your progression? Like, when did you get to the point where you were only trading?
That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Let's see. How old was I? That was 6-7 years ago. So I saved like 14 months worth of like my bills, I guess you could say, on the side.
14 months.
A little bit over a year. Yeah, that's what I gave myself. I also had, I think I had 25K set for trading, and I would put in like 5K at a time. And I was also running a little Shopify store, making like, I don't know, $1,500, something a month. So I did 3 things there, right? I made sure that I was able to, pay my bills, not be against the wall, and think that I have to make money right away to, pay my dues. I also had a little bit of income in, so that pays all the. I wasn't really paying rent then, but a little bit of pocket change money, right? So I felt like something was coming in, and then again, I had a job too. I was an insurance agent, so I had a job where I could easily go back. You never want to. Those are the 3 things, right? You want to make sure like, hey, if this doesn't work out, I'm okay. I can go back to doing something, and even while I'm trying to do this, I still have a little bit of income. So I mean, that was it for me. I don't know what most people do. I think that's a good path.
I kind of have the same exact story, right? So I was working, I was delivering pizzas, and then my girlfriend's parents let me live at her house, and then I started. No, I'm just kidding. I was actually traveling the world filming full time, but then I got tired of traveling full time because I wanted to be home with my girlfriend, or just wanted to not have to travel all the time. So then I saw a movie called Wolf of Wall Street, and I thought to myself, I said, "God damn, I can do this." It's a fugazi. It's a fugazi. That's exactly how I pretty much got into trading. Was Wolf of Wall Street inspiration? Leonardo. I'm a sucker for Leonardo, man.
He's the
The
GOAT.
chat, they're worried about you over here with your 4 micros. You're trading micros right now, or
No, it's
minis
regular
again?
NQ.
Oh,
Yeah,
God.
it's a 25K live account, so
Did Top Step?
I'm back in the green.
Top Step has a $50,000 drawdown per day, and they never hit it. So like they're profitable, right?
that's crazy. Another thing, like, I don't know, people were saying shit in the chat. The funny thing is that, hold on, let me show my fills on here. How do you, fills and orders, show fills. There we go.
Oh, you're back in the green. The chat was worried for a minute. They were telling you to get out.
The thing is here, NQ, today's a crazy day. It was down 1,000 points, right? Just this one candle is like a 30-point range. So, you got to be able to, I'm in 3-4 contracts. It might seem like a lot, but, overall to my account size, it's not a lot. But, you guys got to be able to know you don't even have to trade too much, right? I mean, you did what? Fucking 2 contracts and you made 5. What was that? Like a couple seconds trade? Like what? 20 seconds? Something like that? What was the trade you took this morning?
Do you have is there a max? Is there a minimum amount of time that somebody has to be in a trade?
I think Let me see,
Sir,
I want
can't
to
tell you. Tell me whatever the limit is, and I'll tell you what my trade was.
Cool. No. You're good. You're good. It's definitely not.
I think I did see that somewhere though, right? Do you have like it's like 5 seconds or something? Is that a rule?
Rules, yeah. I should probably know this one. This one I don't know. 50% or more of your profit must come from trades longer than 5 seconds.
Oh, well, we're good because I hit 6 seconds all day, every day, baby.
Even if you did, right? You only made not only, but you made 500. You know you're gonna make more than that, right?
Yeah.
So if you make another 500, you know, and it's longer than 5, you're fine, right? So stuff like that.
That sounds like Victoria's trading.
All right, now we're starting to dump a little bit. So we're still in this like flag range here. This is why I'm still, you know, iffy about this. I'm giving away some gains here, but I want to see this bounce. I'm gonna take one more or two. I'm gonna add 2 here, be into 5, and I'm gonna probably put the stop down here.
Where's your like end all be all? I'm getting the fuck out of this trade setup.
Yeah, so I just put the stop down here.
Sir,
levels.
I got bad news.
What, am I about to hit my stop?
Top step's long.
You're
fucked. You're absolutely fucked.
I'm probably gonna get stopped out then if they're long.
Sorry.
And here we go.
Sorry.
Here we
They're
go.
long from 250s.
Here we go. We're about to get stopped on them. Yeah,
Stop
so we're
filled.
stopped. All right.
Brett's trades look like my trade.
Whoa. Shots fired.
That's
Oof.
not
No, that's kidding. She's kidding. She don't know even what she's talking about.
My Tradeify has so many rules. What? Show me a firm that has less rules than us. Show me a firm that has less rules than us.
Well, you see, Brett, that's what I've told people. I'm like, look, at the end of the day, no offense to Brett here, but like you're running a business and your goal is to make sure that people that follow the rules, they get paid out and there's no problems along the way, right? Like that's your goal. You run an honest, fair business and people come to you and they say, hey, these are the rules that we want to see. This is what we think is valuable for traders. And that's what we have. And it's just, that's the business, right? Like people are going to be upset. Like you have too many rules, but it's like, well, do you want us to be able to make payouts or do you want us to go bankrupt?
Yeah. People are
Because
posting.
we've seen exactly what happens to the firms that don't have the right rules.
Yeah.
They go
It's true.
bankrupt. And then it hurts a lot more than not have like, I feel like trading it with a company that has rules. It's whatever. I hate the rules, right? But I'd also really, really hate if they go bankrupt. That would be a lot worse than not having rules.
True. So I see a bunch of you guys posting some stuff in the chat. We don't have news trading like some firms. What am I
Oh, God.
Am I still on?
Yeah, you're still on. For some reason. I think, that one monitor went under, but you're still on.
I'm still on.
here.
I can't see what I'm doing though. Oh, so we're trading on the side here. No news trading rule. No price limit rules. What else is different? They have everyone pretty much has the same stuff we do. Consistency rules, 50%. A lot of firms, even on an eval. I don't know what people are saying that there's prop firms without rules. Every prop firm. I've said this on every stream, podcast, etc. The pros have to equal the cons, right? That's just how the business works. Otherwise, the traders aren't going to get paid, right? Traders aren't going to get paid. We saw that happen with multiple firms. You got ProfiTrade, FlexiTrade, FTT, one of one futures.
It was funny because, with FTT, everybody's whole way of basically saying how amazing they were is the fact like, dude, they have like no rules. It's so awesome.
Yeah.
And I was like, well, we saw exactly what happens when you have no rules.
Yeah. I mean, when you don't have
Order
any
filled.
rules,
Order filled.
it's just a free-for-all to basically get absolutely bankrupt.
Once you're live funded, there pretty much are no rules.
Yeah. So once you're live with us, there's, you have a risk manager. It's similar to anywhere that you go live. We work with you on your parameters, etc.
Order filled.
But you can take a daily payout every day, once a day. There's a little. I told you before, a little thing we're working on. We're working on a little bonus program that nobody has that I think everybody will really like.
I'm gonna vouch. I can't say exactly, but I'm gonna vouch. It's a pretty good bonus program. I would if you're gonna go live with the company, I think what Tradeify is working on would definitely be the best in the industry right now.
Yeah, and that's because a lot of people. The biggest thing, and I agree, is why stay live.
Why go
right?
live? Why go live? I get worse fills.
Yep.
And it's like I'm still having to follow the rules. Like Top Step.
Not even go live though, right? Why go live with the firm? Why not withdraw it and go live on your own?
Yeah.
Right?
Why would I want to trade a live Top Step account when I have to follow the rules? I got a 5-day payout rule, and
so
what does it do for me?
We got a lot of things in the works right now where people will want to be staying with us live, not just live, but staying, right? Everybody wants to go live. It's like a little, accomplishment. And like, you could say, hey, I'm live with this firm, et cetera, et cetera. Yeah. But you want to stay live. And, I don't know if I talked about this on the last stream, but, the whole regulation thing right now is basically, they just want to see more live. They want to get away a little bit from the sim, not get rid of it, but, essentially have that, coming in to play in the next year. There's nothing set in stone that's happening right now, but that's what we're hearing through the grapevine.
Ooh, the grapevine. I always love the grapevine.
Yeah,
Brett is the king of grapevine.
Yeah.
You like the
little
good
wine,
grapevine,
little
don't you?
wine and
I always
dine.
see you on Twitter just hey, I got heard on the grapevine.
Yeah. We
Me
try.
and,
Look at this money all over the floor in here.
I know. It looks like a stripper's been in here. Mostly me. I don't think Nutty has any idea how bad I'm gonna whoop his ass playing golf. Like I told him I was really bad. So I told him we're gonna bet $100 per hole. And I'm literally gonna destroy him. And we're gonna have it all on film. It's gonna be hilarious. Like I kind of like I'm an undercover golfer.
Undercover golfer. Yeah? You play a lot?
I mean, I grew up in Orlando, so like, going to the driving range, going to the golf courses. I worked as a valet at the Orlando Country Club, so like I played golf, like I'm not gonna say I'm the best to ever do it, but
so you weren't Trump's caddy?
I wasn't Trump. That would be fucking legendary. Imagine where I'd be at right now if I was Trump. He'd probably put me as like the fucking head of the SEC. Patrick Wieland is moved to the top SEC trader.
His caddy's the new Secret Service owner.
Fucking A. What do you think? What do you think in the next 4 years? Market goes to the moon, or what are we doing?
I don't know. So I was actually just talking about this.
You do a lot of options too. Are you thinking like long-term options at all?
So I was just talking about this with. I like China stocks this year, to be honst. But it's not just because of fucking today. I've said it before.
You're a trader.
I know everyone's like, but the thing is, you got to think about it like this, right? His first term was about like he was actually almost always looking at the market and stuff, like talking about the stock market. He actually hasn't talked. It was like his barometer of like if he's being successful or not. Right. And your first term, it's almost like you do things in a way that obviously good for the country, but you also want to get reelected. Get that second term, right?
Okay.
So I'm looking at it like he might have to make some tougher decisions and do things that are a little bit tougher now, but they're better for the longevity because he can't get reelected either. So I think these first couple years, and there's a lot, right, that essentially was taken back from what he put in place during his term also, and then, the Biden administration, right, et cetera. So I think it'll be interesting to see, if he's buddy with the market again this year. At least this first year.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This second year. And the market's already so hot. It's tough. He says we're going to be the biggest, the largest, right, in AI and crypto, everything. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know. That's my take. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think?
Honestly, the way I look at it is I think we're going into a 4-year period where we're going to print more money.
Yeah.
Right. Inflation is going to be an issue again. Like it's just going to happen, especially if we start doing the tariffs. Everything's going to go up in price. Stocks are going to go up in price. Apple, everything's going to go up in price, and the market's built to go higher in the long term. So, not to say that it's going to go higher tomorrow or the day after, but I think in 4 years the market will make new highs and we'll go higher. So I have been actually looking at maybe getting some, pretty outrageous, ES call options. 6,400, 6,600 calls on the ES.
I think we talked about it last time. You don't dabble at all options really, though, right? Or when's the last time you did?
I kind of mess around in my what is that? My IRA, my Roth IRA.
Yeah.
On options, and then sometimes I'll trade some options on because futures trade options.
Yeah. You can do future options.
Trade every day. You can trade options on futures. And
SPX, NDX. Yeah.
It gets pretty wild. Like it gets pretty wild.
At the end of the day, you can get like 1,000% in like 5 minutes during that. Like
when the MOC kicks it, oh baby.
I see some degens.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I mean it's good. I mean leaps are great too. Like if you can get some good, like now it's tough to buy something a year or two out at the highs, right? But I know some people when the market was dumping, they bought like Nvidia calls, leaps.
Yeah. Like
2-3 years out, they were up like 2,000%. I'm talking spending $400 stuff turning into like 8K each.
But you know, and then there's also like kind of the theory on selling options in the sense of like, let's say you want to.
It's the best actually.
If you want to get in on, let's say you want to buy Apple, but you don't want to get in at the current price, well, you can start selling puts basically on Apple, and then if you do get assigned the puts, the shares, then you buy them at a lower price than where we're at currently. So.
Yeah, the crazy thing is I think it's 98% of options expire worthless every week.
You just gotta you can't go full degen, that's for sure.
Yeah. I mean, and it's pretty obvious, because there's like zero dates, there's out of the money stuff, right? So a lot of that goes worthless, but those are mostly hedges too for like a lot of these firms, right? That have big positions. So it's interesting to see what those guys are doing and see that on the flow. I don't know if you ever check out like flow and stuff like that, but anyway, I've been scalping this fucking level like 20 times. I don't know if you see this at all.
Oh, we see it. The chat's seeing it somehow.
They see me just going in.
Look at this thing.
I'm just going in and out of like
Christmas tree over here.
I like this level here. I'm like 5 cons long, taking scalps in and out on the
YOLO.
If you look here though, so this is why I'm taking it on this level. I'm waiting for it to break up. If you take this high to this low right here, we're right at, I have to put it on.
The golden pocket?
Yeah, I think it is. Here, let me put on the 70.
It's the golden pocket.
0.7. Yeah, so we wicked it right there. See, 70.7. How do I make this bigger? There we go. See? Perfect.
I would say, if I'm looking at this right now, look at the NASDAQ. If we get kind of break out of this thing. Holy God, NUTTYBAR. You're looking too good, bro. It can't be looking like that. I thought you. Wait.
I torched all your Tradeify accounts.
It's all good.
NUTTYBAR's got the brand new Nike.
He doesn't even care. He doesn't even care. No, I didn't do it. You're good.
He's got the brand new Nike.
This guy doesn't give a shit.
Play golf. God,
order filled.
Wait, are you?
Wait, you can hear my screen?
Yeah.
Oh shit! This whole time? Oh, so they were hearing my order film the whole time.
Like, man, I sure hope you logged out of my account.
We were. That's fucking hilarious. I didn't even know.
I didn't know they could either.
We weren't sharing the screen. I guess I could hear all the sounds like order filled. I'm scalping.
Wait, they really were?
Bro, look at these scalps. Look how many scalps I must have took. Look at this shit. And here we go. There's the breakout. And we're up 7 bands on the day.
Here we go. NASDAQ. We had that little push up, kind of the top of these 3 candles.
Yeah, this is
we
a
got
707.
up there, 260s.
We pulled back.
So we pulled back here. I'll show you. So this is the GP that I have on that move up.
Aren't
that
you happy
spring
you get
pad.
long up there, Nutty?
But this is the bottom. This is the bear flag I was talking about.
Hey, if I ever did one thing for Nutty, I helped him not get long
We were thinking about it.
He asked me, he's like, I would normally get long here. I'm like, no, sir. No, sir.
Code is 205. He's long at 205. Damn, he's right around me. I feel maybe I should exit.
His stops at 203?
That was a nice pop right there.
Nice
Probably
long.
should have taken some profit off.
Their charts on.
See, this is the thing. I start talking and I start looking
You guys
around.
stop talking so much, bro.
Yeah, I gotta lock
Don't talk
in.
so much.
I gotta lock in, twin.
I can't believe NUTTYBAR showed up with his fucking brand new kit looking all sexy over there.
Let me get out
I
of.
gotta wear my golf out.
Order filled.
Run it back down to 5.
Literally, these are brand new Nike golf pants. Victoria's like, why do you got all this golf stuff? I'm like, honey, there will come a day where I'm gonna have to look good on the golf course.
Turn him into a golfer.
Oh, are you?
Yes, you're gonna love it.
I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna exit this guy's here if we pop back up.
My wife every day.
He's out or he's in.
I'm gonna be out.
He's out, he's in.
I want to get this. Yeah, there we go.
Order
I think
filled.
it'll bounce here, but I gotta go. It said 11:15. I stayed another 20.
The degenerateness is coming. It's taking over.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for
it's been
stopping
real.
in. I was gonna. We kind of like answered a lot of questions and talked about Tradeify. Not even when we were thinking about it, but it's always good to have like that on the fly info.
Yeah.
So we'll have to do this again. So it's almost the end of February. So we'll see. Well, end of January. So we'll have to come back in February here.
100%.
100%.
100%.
100%. What time's our tea time, Nutty?
12:54.
12:54 tea time.
You got a ritual you do before you start it off, or what? You got a PW special on the.
Oh, shit's gonna get weird. That's for sure.
You gonna crack something or do something crazy?
I'm gonna be drinking liquid death all day, every day.
You gotta bring some money guns there.
Oh, I got a couple $100 cash in my actual real money here. NUTTYBAR, $20 every hole.
What's the bet on the game? That's the truth.
know.
I said 5,000.
It can't be money. It's gotta be something like
5,000 on the round.
I'm worried I'm getting fleeced. Guy probably scratch golfer.
No way. Well, Brett, always an honor to have you come in, hang out with us.
Appreciate it.
Dropping even though we broke your website.
Somewhere up here.
Yeah, you're there. You're live. We got to work on that website. You got it.
Oh.
Oh.
Fucking A,
Oh.
man. See, I knew that GP would hold. Whatever. At least it could.
Well, look what they did. They fucking trapped below here just to pop it right back up. Classic.
Yeah.
Market loves to trap, people.
Oof.
There's your breakout to the upside. Get back on there quick. Go long.
Hey.
10 contacts.
Nice meeting you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
This was the best live stream, man. Good stuff. Let's go.
Might have NUTTYBAR on the TDY team, Tradeify team soon. So.
Uh-oh. I thought he already is.
He's in, but he's gonna be a.
Oh, not top dog.
lineup.
Well,
Lineup.
he's never going to surpass me, so.
I'll settle for second.
If NUTTYBAR gets anywhere close to me, I will fucking destroy him. Patrick, when do you devise to not trade the 15-minute open? I don't know. Whenever the market's chopping around. But right now, NASDAQ trying to push back up. We just got done here with the CEO of Tradeify. I know their website's been up and down because so many people are watching the stream. We had over 4,200 people watching today. And we gave away some stuff. We did some live trades. Really hyped to have NUTTYBAR here today as well. Great trading from him. He waited. He was patient. Give us a little recap. How did your, this, why is this monitor? I'm not sure. I was wondering the same. Right, broke it. He was pressing the buttons. Now it's up. Now it's up. All right. Talk a little bit about I think I was impressed that you were patient. You waited. Even with all of the, fun and activities going on inside the BDH, you did not falter. You waited, and then you took a trade.
Yeah, I try to be patient. I always get in trouble if I trade the open, and I've started just to wait, let the volatility die down a little bit. And I loved seeing the market once it held above the VWAP and just waited for that dip down below, and we got in, and it worked out. And just,
how do you feel now?
I feel great.
Now you're ready for
I'm
golf.
ready for
That's
a
the
round of
nicest
golf.
thing.
Let's go.
It's so nice to just be able to lock in that profit
It
and
is.
then just like walk away and be done for the day.
It is. It
Like
is
mentally,
great.
it also just like keeps you on the right path, right? Because now tomorrow you show back up and you're like, hey, yesterday I did what I needed to do. Tomorrow I'm gonna do what I'm gonna need to do. And I think we talked about earlier about the whole like payout. Obviously, like does Patrick get the payouts? And where are the payouts? And that was my biggest problem. Sometimes I would literally fucking get. You probably had the same problem, but I would get accounts like a day away from a payout. A day,
Yeah.
1 day. And all I had to do was flip the account, do something stupid. But I would be like, nah, I'm going to try to make more money. And then I would, start out, lose 100, lose 500, lose 10,000, and then lose the whole account. I've literally blown up $20,000 worth of like, profit in an account in 1 day before payout.
Yeah, that is a special kind of misery then. I've done that too. And it's the closer you get, I always look at it like the closer you get to a payout, the less you're willing to accept a loss.
Yeah.
And
especially
as soon as you
fucking,
get in that position, it's just
well,
not good.
the worst, it's not even the worst part, but like the shitty part is when you have like those, when you're on a streak, you're on a green streak, and then it's like that one red day. It's going to happen. It's going to, it's part of trading, but like that one day comes and then you're like, you can't just accept it.
Yep. No, I agree. That's definitely the closer you get and you start to pucker up a little bit. Things,
Well, 'cause
definitely
you
the difficult.
You definitely it starts to get to your head, right? Like when you first start out in the funded account, you're like kind of just trading normal. You're getting your profits. And then as you get closer, like when I was getting close to the $600,000 payout, like I was stressing because I was like, what if I blow it up like 5 days before the fucking payout?
I was actually wanted to ask you about that because I know you were posting and you were
Every
getting
day I
really
was posting,
close.
yeah.
You were getting so close. And I thought to myself, man, it's
a lot
got
of
to be
pressure.
difficult.
Showing, that's what's funny is like showing the journal is like,
Yep.
it puts a lot of pressure on you when you're streaming because it's like, you just like right now I'm on a 11-day win streak with Tradeify. And it's like, obviously I want to show it, but at the same time, it's like if I have a fucking red day, the last thing I want to do is show it because it's like, it sucks.
Yeah.
And then not only do I get to like have a red day, but now I get to listen to NUTTYBAR and every other fucker on the internet talk about how I had a red day.
I've never done that. I don't know what you're talking about.
You know, so
No,
People
you're
ask me,
right,
how
though.
did NUTTYBAR get his name? We're gonna do a full interview while he's here, maybe tomorrow, but we'll talk about how he got his name. I heard it's very, very, very long story, so we're gonna need a full podcast just to talk about. I can't even pull up the fucking Tradeify journal right now.
Oh, really?
It's
It's
down.
still crashed.
It's down. Show us. Can you pull up your trade? Let's see. Let's do a recap on your trade while people are still here. And like I said, tomorrow we're gonna have NUTTYBAR back for a second day. I know today was a little crazy with Brett jumping in here and getting all wild, but it was a good day. Nutty made some money live on YouTube, showed us the entry, showed us the exits,
That was awesome.
and locked it in. I think the best part about that trade too is the fact that you stuck to it. You had that 86 level, it pulled back, it went down to the 50s again. You're like, fuck, I'm gonna get it out, and we're all like, no. Because you do much back testing?
I do. I actually used to not do that much, but last year I started back testing a lot more, and I'm a firm big believer in manually back testing.
Yeah.
Like going through the candles, it helps my brain when I'm in a trade to, understand that, hey, this is part of the process. Just follow your back testing results and you'll be okay.
Well, that's the thing, right? Like I tell people, I'm like, for me, it's like I know that normally on a breakout, for a normal like type of momentum breakout, like we're gonna get 20, 30 points. After that, that's when it gets dicey. That's when we start to get those choppy, or we get it's not as consistent. So 20, 30 points on the NASDAQ breakouts, kind of what I'm looking for. And then if we get more, we get more. And then it kind of is what it is. But I mean, it is hilarious. And what's funny too is if I pull up my Apex accounts here from today, you can see like this trade here. We had this little bull flag, basically ding ding, selling into that. Not like massive amount of points. I mean, from the 30s up there to the 57s. Again, right here from the 300s up to the 323s, 20 points. And look where we're sitting at. We're sitting at over $20,000 in profits today. And I didn't even capitalize on any of the big moves. That's kind of the funny part. Like I didn't have one trade that was like, oh, home run fucking trade. You had more of a home run trade than I did today.
Okay, I got him pulled up here finally.
You got it pulled up? You ready for me?
I believe
Switching
so,
over
yes.
to you. All right. Let's talk about your trade of the day. NUTTYBAR's trade of the day.
Now, does it show my entry? Okay, it does show my entry here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a trade. I mean, I actually should have been up a little bit more. This trade was the first trade we had.
Can you put the arrows on? Does that show?
Does it show
Not
correctly?
showing the arrows. Like you go over the top and just put your right there. One of those. You want me to do it for you? Do it for you. I want to press
There.
It.
Oh,
Yeah.
show crosshair?
No. Here, let me do it for you.
Oh, jeez. I am.
Let me
As
touch
you
your-
guys
let me
can
touch
see,
your
I am
computer.
no.
I'm touching it. Here, watch out. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, you do it.
I'm
You do it.
trading. I'm on it right now.
You do
I'm
it.
on his computer. Wait, I think it's right here.
I'm
No,
used
right
to
here.
trading Ninja Trader. Show orders.
There you go.
Oh,
Show
okay.
fills. Now we're good.
Thank you.
You want to get long? You said.
Max cons. But yeah,
All
the
right.
first trade here, waited for a pullback, got in above the opening or the close of this candle, but we did not have our copy trader on, and we probably had our stop trailing a little bit too tight, and got stopped out for.
And this is actually where you got short as well.
Yeah, actually, I forgot. I put my stop in it and for 2 micros, and then I took one off, and then when it hit my stop, it took me short. So lesson learned. But then the next trade here, yeah, Patrick, we were talking about it. I'm not sure if it was on screen or off screen, but talking about a dip down below into this 230 area, and we got it. And kind of my confirmation was above the 300s, above the 310s to get in. Took one off here at the double top, what I usually like to do, and then I always try to get a runner. Doesn't always work, but today we held right in here. This was kind of the area that was tempting me to just take my profit and run, but
But look where you took profit on that push. You took
Yeah,
profit
pretty
pretty much at the
much-
high of that push right there.
that is true. Maybe I should screenshot this and frame it.
And the funny thing is, like, look at like where those candles were pulling back. You know, when you were like in that trade, we were pretty much holding above that recent, like that little bit of resistance from earlier.
Yeah, I think I had my stop right here at like just below the 350s.
Yeah.
On that trail, and we were.
There you go. Look at the NASDAQ right now. Absolutely
Yeah, I was
ripping
looking
here.
at that.
Holy guacamole. There's your breakout we're kind of looking for there earlier. And guess what? Look what it did, right? We pulled back into the VWAP. We pushed up. We pulled back. And again, kind of that trap setting up here. And you can kind of see, like, this is why I do not, this is like, I'm not a fan of shorting into like this type of setup, because this kind of like, this is the type of setup that I know is just like notorious for wanting to just like squeeze back up, stop out the shorts. You know, there's going to be shorts that are shorting down here that are late to the party. The shorts that shorted here at the bear flag, they got paid. But if this starts to push back up, it's like, hey, now these shorts are getting stopped out. They're getting squeezed. And there's our push back up. Fucking Brett took off my pivot points. What a guy. He literally just deleted my fucking pivot points on the chart. I'll put it back on here now if you're still watching. So basically, it's just the pivot point standard. I don't change any settings. And what's funny is that pivot point was right where his line was as well. So we got the sorry, what is that? Yellow line. That was our 15-minute opening range. So we're back to the VWAP here. You can see this kind of area of chop, consolidating the breakout again through that 230s, now back up there 275. So love to see it. Love to see it. In terms of trading for you Nutty, what's your kind of, what do you got this year for goals? You got any goals in general, or just like
Honestly, I'm trying to just be more consistent, trying to blow up less, hold my accounts longer, and just try to
I think we can get you a $500,000 payout this year, Nutty. I think it's possible.
I would love that.
I think it's possible.
I might.
I mean, all you need is $500 a day.
I know,
$500
it's crazy.
a day, like,
I
it's
know.
possible. I tell people, I'm like, you don't need to fucking have $20,000 profit days every day.
You don't.
Especially if you're copy trading. And now it's like I copy trade with every prop firm. You copy trade with pretty much every prop firm,
Yep.
right? I mean,
Yes.
and you know, it's kind of funny too, because I feel like I've sometimes like I get caught up in this. Like I look at my P&L and I'm like, oh, I'm only up $200. Like I forget that it's 20 accounts, right? It's
Yep.
like, oh, I'm only $200. Like I can make more.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you as well, like with prop firms that have consistency rules versus prop firms that don't have consistency rules, like can you tell a difference in how you trade, and does it actually benefit you, or like what's your take on that?
Well, see, people always ask me that because they're like, oh, well, if you make, you made $2,000 in one day. I'm like, yeah, but that's like kind of like my normal strategy, right? Like with Tradeify, like I was averaging, $2,000, $3,000 days. So my consistency was right in line. You know, I'm not, most of my trade, like I don't, if you look at my Tradeify account, like I didn't have one day where it was just like $50,000 profit.
Correct.
Very consistent, just
basically
like holding up
once
there.
you kind of maintain your or your profit day, you know what you're shooting for and just stay within that.
I think looking right now at the NASDAQ, little bull flag kind of forming here below VWAP. We get above the 66 level and then back up here into the 310s possible.
Yeah, it's so tempting to take.
It's tempting.
It's tempting me.
It's tempting you. You always make it micros.
That's
or you just sail off into the sunset.
Right. That's always the temptation. I find when I keep sitting in front of my screen, I will always end up talking myself into another trade, and it's not always good. Usually, if I'm happy with where I'm at on the day, shut it down, and I gotta walk away, or I will talk myself into taking another trade. And we all know
it's amazing how powerful the mind is.
Yeah. Yep.
All right. Well, I like that. It's a good way to look at it. Right now, 11:50 here, going into the 12 o'clock hour. So normally would be done trading right now. For me personally, you normally kind of the same time? You said you used to I remember you used to stream all day. That's a grind.
I did. We were talking about that this morning. I used to just stream all day long, and looking back, I can't see how I did it. Usually by 12:30, 1 o'clock, mentally, I'm usually drained, and Either I'm red and it's time to walk away, or we're green and it's time to walk away.
Yeah. I like Bonnie's quote. You sit in a barbershop long enough, you're going to get a haircut.
I love it. I love it.
You got a good looking haircut. I might have to steal that one.
Hey, I got a fresh cut
Yeah, it looks
on
looking
Saturday
good.
for
I like it.
BDH.
It was funny because, like, no offense, but like I felt like when I saw you this morning, I felt like I've known you forever.
I know.
It was just like
Right.
a weird, like, not even like a hey, like first time meeting, it's like fucking Nutty Bar, let's go, get in here, you know, like very just.
Yeah, it's crazy. It does. There's definitely like the community. I think that's one thing that's really great about.
Have you been like spotted in public before?
Oh no,
Never?
No, never.
We're gonna go somewhere. I'm gonna make sure Nutty Bar gets spotted. I know some spots where traders hang out.
Oh dear.
Strip clubs.
Oh,
kidding.
we're not going there. Oh
Get
man.
Nutty Art on in the power hour. No power hour today. Me. We're gonna be golfing.
We're
so-
gonna be.
See, and this is like my perfect example right now of having that rule of not getting long below the VWAP, because now it's
Yep.
like, if I know that the VWAP is ultimately support resistance, it's like, do I want to get long below it? Even though we're like tapping into it, it's like, I want to stay away from it. I want to stay out of it. Obviously this morning, again, I know people are like, but you got long this morning, but the open, right? When the market opens, that first 5 minutes, like that's when the market's going to be searching for that VWAP. That's when the market's going to be kind of trying to figure out, is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? So that VWAP is not like, it's not really something that I'm worried about in the first 5 minutes. Like the first 5 minutes, I'm thinking that the VWAP is kind of want to get touched. And that's kind of the way I play it. So I can get long for a breakout to the upside here. We talked about this before the market even opened. Just absolutely just going straight up was kind of what I was saying. Boner candle to the upside. Pardon my English here, but that's kind of the way I was looking at it. Did you? Can you attest to that,
Yes,
Mr. Transparency, Mr.
I
Mr.
can
Most
attest.
Transparent Trader on YouTube?
Yes, I can definitely attest to
God, I
that.
used to. I swear, I still look at you as fucking. I think about all the much that I used to hate you, Nutty Bar.
We
I was
did
just
go.
mad,
Hey, by
'cause
the
I
way,
was like, who is this motherfucker trying to challenge me? You know, I'm like, who is he?
man, those were the days. No, I was definitely coming at you pretty hard a couple times.
You came
but
at me pretty hard a couple of times.
You did. You fought back. You had your share of.
Hey, I'm not gonna say I was a victim by any means.
That's what I did
But
say.
again, like it kind of feeds me. I love that. You know, I love proving people wrong. You know, and nothing is better than proving people wrong in the sense of like, hey. Everyone's like, oh, Patrick sucks at trading. It's like, all right, motherfuckers, watch this. Watch me get $800,000 in payouts.
You did.
Yeah.
And that's the thing. Like back then, like you were getting payouts, but not like significant.
No, I was doing stupid shit.
And
100%.
And that's kind of what I was at the time. You know, that's kind of what I was looking at. Like something doesn't add up. But you have proved that wrong and more with this last year of trading.
To be honest, like almost all I would trade live on YouTube and stuff. And most of the days I would kill it live on YouTube, doing it, you know, fucking killing it. And then it would be the middle of the day trade. It'd be the afternoon trade when I was just fucking around, you know, just like, oh, I'll make another $1,000 really quick. You know, oh, I already made 10,000, but I can make another 5,000 real quick.
Yep.
You know, especially with the copy trading, how easy is it to be like, oh, I'll put on 20 contracts, get a 5-point move, and then, you know, bam, I'm up 10,000.
Exactly. Especially then it goes so well. Like you enter a trade and it goes so well. You're like, wow, that was so easy. Let's do it again.
Do it again.
And then all of a sudden you get trapped in the wrong side of a trade. And that's how it is for me. And that's when when I go into tilt mode, I have like an out of body experience. I start clicking buttons, doing things I don't even realize. Definitely not stuff I should be doing. So
somebody asked, how did we squash the beef? I don't think there was like a moment. I think we had the challenge, right? We had the little day trading battle. We weren't best friends after that, but I think you have to, like I say, you keep your enemies close and your friends close. You know, like keep your friends close, but your enemies closer.
No,
it wasn't that I looked at you as like an enemy. It was just of like I knew what you were doing, right? Like I knew you were kind of like, hey. If you want to stand out in the playground, you go after the biggest and the baddest, and that's how you grow on YouTube. Honestly, like that's a very marketable strategy. You know, if you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, you kind of like see who's bigger than you. And you're like, all right, let me see if I can get this fucker to respond. And you got me to respond. I mean, you did. And like I talked about you, and everyone's like, "Who the fuck is NUTTYBAR?" I'm like, "This motherfucker."
Yeah, we might have got a couple. Might have developed a couple haters along the way.
Yeah, no, I mean,
That's just how it is. But no, I did. I was like the grind that you've put in, like 7 years doing this. I mean, that's a commendable.
8 years, sir.
Is it 8 years? That's
8 years
crazy.
now.
8 years. So
Like I was streaming on YouTube when you were fucking still in diapers being Amish.
I was still Amish. Oh man, but no,
Dude, the
man,
F-bombs are hurting my ears. Well, don't let them hurt your ears so much.
we need a beep button for Patrick. I need a beep button.
I don't know. The whole like I don't know. It's people are like,
No,
you'd
you're
have so many
fine.
more people watching if you didn't curse. And I'm like, well, I could also fucking be broke and be a loser too, but I choose not to be. So it is what it is. So I'm excited to play golf.
I am too.
I'm gonna smack that fucking ball so
Oh,
hard.
I can't wait.
Hole in one today. I'm gonna say it already. Hole
We're
in
gonna-
one. Hole in one. $1 bills.
We gotta. I can't wait, man.
We're gonna be back
I-
tomorrow morning as well.
Something tells me that you're better at golf than what you're pretending to be. So I'm interested.
I just picked up those clubs the other day. I'd never even played before.
Yeah, all right.
No, I have a feeling you're better than you're letting on to be.
I don't know. It
You go out in your front yard in your perfect little grass and hit it in the rough, don't you?
sometimes.
Yeah,
sometimes.
I knew it.
Sometimes I do.
I knew it, but
I
I bet
like
you
that.
I bet you fixed those divots.
Oh yeah.
A man
always.
of the grass here.
I always fix my divot. I take good care of the golf course.
If you think you got rich enough, would you have a little like nice little putting green?
Oh, that's my
thingy
dream,
in your
like-
backyard, or what would you do?
Yeah, my dream would be to have.
What's
you
the
know.
$1 million? What does the millionaire NUTTYBAR look like?
Honestly, just a nice home.
Would you buy a sports car?
Honestly, probably not.
Really? I said the same thing until I became a millionaire, and then I bought
I mean,
one.
I just never like.
You say that
I
now,
have
but I
other
said the same thing. I was like,
things,
I'm never
but-
gonna buy a Rolex, and then I do. Once you get so
Really?
rich, you just like you.
I
just-
mean, I love to be. I don't know. Maybe I'll be wrong. I guess I love to be proved wrong because that would mean I'm a millionaire. So
yeah. I mean,
you never know.
You don't have growing up. You didn't have like a kid. You didn't have a car that was like your dream car. I guess you're Amish. You
I
didn't
mean,
really look
not
at cars.
really. Like I've never really been that big into.
You're gonna get you a nice little
cars.
horse and buggy.
Back in the day, I used to have a pretty nice horse.
Pretty nice horse.
Oh yeah,
Ooh,
it was pretty fast.
Fast horse.
It was pretty fast.
No
too.
more horses.
Yeah,
You know, I grew up with horses too.
Oh,
That's
you
kind of
did?
funny. We both had horses. I had American quarter horses. Yeah.
I see. Awesome.
Yeah, no buggies. We did like Western. We were
Yeah,
riding around.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. I like it. Well, we got a lot more fun to come tomorrow as well. We'll be back here, so let's not give them all the information just yet.
That's right.
All the secrets on how to get rich with NUTTYBAR. But I'm looking forward to the future. Do you think I always ask people this, but you think that like being a father, being a husband, it motivates you to like want to be better at trading them more than anything?
Oh, definitely. I mean, it just motivates you to.
Well, because when you're just
provide.
by yourself, like trading really just is like a gamble, right? You're just like, fuck it, I'll
Yeah.
just make a bunch of money. But like having a family, having kids, it's like you got to provide. You got to like
Right.
make money, and you got to do it.
It matters.
Yeah,
it
it matters,
really does
actually.
matter, and you think twice before you just start pressing buttons and going off, deviating from your plan and going on tilt, stuff like that. It matters, and you think twice before you do that.
Who would have thought that there could be two good-looking gingers to hang out in the same room together? Nobody, most people think that most gingers are butt-ass ugly, but
Yeah,
we found two right here, baby. We got two
Let's go.
in the BDH. All right, here it is. We are gonna go golfing.
Let's do this.
Someone's got to clean up this mess. NUTTYBAR, get to work.
Every $100 I pick up.
What? Daniel T, where did Pat go? Let Nutty take the GT3 RS Alpine Trader. I'm gonna put him in the
Hey,
fucking
Alpine.
Lambo. He's gonna
Alpine in
trade
the
the
house.
Lambo for sure.
Oh, we have to do some kind of petition in the chat. I think I'm still banned. I think I'm still
I think you're
banned
gonna
in the
stay
chat.
banned. You have to see if you're good behavior
right.
or not.
Here, I'm gonna.
We'll see if you're on good behavior. I don't even know how to unban you. That's the problem.
You don't know how? I
You're
can show-
literally in the BDH, but you're not allowed to type in my chat. That's pretty hilarious, actually.
It is actually pretty funny. Let me test. I'm gonna test it right now. See if I'm
Test.
see if I'm actually banned.
Test.
That is pretty funny that I'm here trading.
Daniel T, let's go. Love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow morning. We'll be back here with Nutty Bar for another fun morning of action for Turbo Tuesdays. Hopefully I beat him at golf, because I feel like if he wins, tomorrow's going to be awkward. I won't be so happy to have him here anymore. He might not be here tomorrow if he wins, actually. He'll be like, hey, Nutty Bar, you're not on the stream tomorrow. We can't have you come on there.
Nutty went missing.
Just disappeared. All right, there it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Turbo Tuesday. Stay in the green. Stay out of the red. Don't do stupid shit. And whatever you do, well, just don't do what I, well, just stay alive, my friends. Stay alive. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Turbo Tuesdays. Peace to the Middle East.
Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my riches for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitchin' my archive. Boy, came back to the 4-5. If you play then you lay right there by your own gun. Go up a 4 with a loco. Tell them run this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin, shout out to Bobo. Moved out the streets, now look how we live. Tell my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shit for the kids. Deposit the checks from my black millennials. Paid my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy for me. What I paid for some dollars, could've bought me vanilla. Texas piece on my neck, could've bought your career. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Daddy put weed in the front. Let my little brother roll in the Dutch. My little boy get whatever he wants. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pouring lean on the nuggets for once. Spill the rest of that drink in the punch. Lip frizz on some my head stunt. White rich, I just did it because 6 weeks of later, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting the punch. Hating ass nigga, go get you some money. I just got out for 2, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another. Couple ends, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit I had to go do. They say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey.
We're doing it live.